I'll watch this later.
Oh, yo. How's it going, guys? Starting right away. We gotta join. We gotta join the stream of Josh. Josh's stream. So let's just give him a call. Give him a call. Let's give him a call. Give him a call. Oh, let's not leak. Let's not leak. It's so easy to leak, guys. It's so easy to leak. Alright, how do we call? How do we call? How do we call? Start call. Start call. Hello? Let's make sure everything's working. Testing, everything's working. Hello? Is it working? Hello? Hello? Let's see here. Turn on camera. Which camera is it? Which camera is it? Is this camera? That's this other camera? Oh, wait. You know what? I forgot. Brother, yo. Let me start a virtual camera. How's it going, Dante? I called him. Okay. I called him. Yo, how's it going? Good, man, good. Camera. Back to the mainstream. Yo, what's up? Cali Postelum? Oh no, not your main account? Okay. I peep the bridgemind connect. I thought I'd just say something. I thought I would just say something because might as well. Oh, I literally called Josh as he stepped away. Oh my gosh. I called Josh as he stepped away. Kill Sojourn. Oh, okay, got it. Now, what should I call you? What's the proper? Should I just call you Kin? How should I? What name should I make for you? Because Dante goes by Dante at least. SJ35. Hello. How's it going, J35? Welcome back. I have make a second account, so I've been told by multiple people to reformat your PC. Yes, you're going to community college tomorrow. Congrats, dude. Congrats. It's like it's a new reset. I don't like having to use your real name. Then change the name. Just like I go by Sigma. Got it. Kin is good. Got it, guys. Got it. I called. Wow, I worked hard today. Holy moly. Josh is back. Okay, I'll call him again. And by yourself in this call. Okay, join call. Hello?
It's calling. Wait, I told him.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hello?
there he is.
Hello?
He is.
Oh, I have to add you as a source. Give me a moment.
I can pop you out as a video.
Josh.
Nice.
Okay, Josh. Got it. Boom. Bam. I gotcha. How's it going?
Right here.
Good
good,
stuff,
man.
All right, you wanna play a game? Like, I feel bad that I had to get on so that you could play together, so you won't get bored. I guess you're running out of energy towards the end.
No. I was focused. I was just focused.
Got it. We have to stay silent while we focus. Got it.
Yeah. How do I make this to the top?
I mean, is he really? Okay. Got it. Dante's scared of the malicious hackers. Want to see something funny?
No.
What?
Disable video.
Everybody likes to see something funny.
How do I pin this to the top?
Okay, let me fix. Did they fix this yet?
Or maybe I'll just add this.
I still see.
This is a start.
I still see this. Oh, this button's all whack. It's related to Josh. I saw it. I saw it. I was literally there. It was the Mog. It was the Mog one. Well, we could watch it on stream again. That's sure. Might as well. Might as well.
Oh yeah, he did. Oh, is he talking about the?
Yeah,
I lost.
We got lost to a 10-year-old. Or something like that.
That was funny, dude.
Yeah, that was funny.
That was.
I was crapping up. I was like, what the heck, dude?
I was crying laughing. Holy, that was so funny.
My bot's here too. Okay, yeah.
It's not gonna work, bud.
No way, I'm gonna get mocked.
It's not gonna work, bud.
Oh my god, I'm getting mocked. Oh no.
It's not gonna work.
Oh, no.
Yeah, dude, that was crazy. It's not gonna work, bud. Oh my.
I did find it strange that 10-year-olds were playing this. Quote a day to do
Yeah,
comment
that
is where dreams go to rest in peace. Oh no. Yeah. The internet, man, the internet. Kids are getting on it. We gotta kick out all the kids that are on the internet. I'm not a fan of kids on the internet, guys.
Same.
They don't belong.
They don't belong. I wasn't on the internet when I was a kid.
I was on. I was on, but yeah, I was on doing my thing. You know. I mean, like, you know what I blame on getting on the internet is what you call it, that Warner Brothers WB Kids WB, whatever that TV show was, to watch like Batman or something on the TV. There's like this program on Channel 5. I'm probably too old for you. You're probably too young to know about this.
I don't think I remember that one.
Back in my day, when you turned on the TV and you went to Channel 5, on a Saturday, you got to watch cartoons. And some of the shows tell you to go to this website to go talk in this like forum to talk to like other people that enjoy the show. And it's just a bunch of predators on there, guys.
Oh no.
There's just a bunch of predators on there, guys. Crazy time, guys. Crazy time.
That is crazy. That is a crazy time.
Yeah, really.
It's like Club Penguin.
Something like that. Oh my god, it was like what a crazy world. People were going crazy on the internet back in my day. People doing all sorts of stuff.
All sorts of nonsense. Okay, there we go. Oh, we're perfectly lined up now.
Lined up?
Or we're lined up on my stream. All right, what do you want to do? You want to run some dailies? You want to play Nightfall?
Oh, whatever you want, man. Whatever you want. You were waiting for this whole time. I'll give you the
Okay.
Player's choice.
Okay, let's run some Geo. Let's run some Geo. Let's run some G-Guesser.
GeoGuessr.
You down to play some G?
Yeah, down to play some G. You bet.
Alright.
Well, where can I securely connect y'all wizards of World of Wide Web? Right. Tell me when to click play.
Oh shoot, I clicked it already.
Alright, I'm in. I'm coming.
Okay. He's in.
All right.
Oh my gosh, what is
Forest?
this?
Don't do this to me. I have to turn on my music, I forgot. Music. Alright, we're deep in the forest, guys. This is definitely California.
Yeah, California. Classic California.
Oh, did I miss a sign? Oh, I missed a sign. Let's see here. Let's see here. What's this? What is this? What is this? What is this?
Okay.
What the heck
Making
is that?
our best educated guess here.
3 color cam. All right. Oh,
That
no.
was so good. So good. So good, dude.
You got a good one? Oh man. Okay. Shoot. I always think it's somewhere here, guys. I always think it's somewhere here. Lots of trees. Green. Pull. Buck. Huh. Huh. Okay. Fine. Oh. I got something.
I didn't get much, I'll be honest.
Okay. I chose Finland. So I
chose
got
Finland?
Yeah, I got it. I got it. Next one.
Oh, gosh.
Next one. Hey,
I
I
have 1.3.
1.3. That's still good. All right, what's
Yeah.
this? And I gotta admit, the Spanish always gets me. Every time.
Every
Time. This one looks a little... Huh. Okay. Guys, we don't always spawn in the best places in the world. Oof. Oh my gosh, what
I have
happened
a
there?
feeling. Okay. I'm just gonna run it.
Run it?
I'm just running it.
Oh, this is tough, man.
Oh my gosh.
You hit it?
Yeah.
Alright,
Yep, we hit it.
you hit it? I
Yep.
hit it.
Mm-hmm.
Alright,
We hit it.
alright, I'm going.
We hit it. We hit something.
Oh, I hit something too.
How many points did you get?
I got 2K for that one.
Oh, okay. Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Somehow I'm able to like gauge your answer just by your reaction. And that gives me a hint on where to choose.
Okay. Well, we're
Okay.
going.
All right. Oh man, what the heck is this?
What the heck? Am I stupid? I guessed already. Like,
What? No.
oh, I thought this was easy.
Wait, let me look at the people.
Oh, I should have looked at the people.
Okay, sure.
Oh, dude.
Okay.
I thought it
choosing
was
this.
guaranteed on this
Oh,
one.
I got 200 points on this one.
Okay. Did
I-
you guess Thailand?
No.
Oh.
I guess Saudi Arabia.
Oh, no.
Totally off. That's Indian. That's Hindi. It's Hindi.
Okay.
Next. Okay, what's this? Okay, I know where this is. I know where
You know what this is?
I know exactly where this is.
How?
Just from straight up.
Oh, he's playing
guessing.
the meta games.
Straight up.
Straight up.
Straight up.
Okay.
Straight up.
2K. Not bad. Not
No.
bad.
Oh. I think I got you
What's
beat
the
today.
meta? Oh, that's like a Kazakhstan thing.
Yeah, that's a
I remember
Kazakhstan. Well, I was gonna guess Russia, and then I saw that there's no desert in Russia, so I looked a little bit harder and found a place with no with the desert.
This guy's
Clicked on it.
meta gaming us.
All right, where's this? I think I know where this is. I think I know where this
Yeah, I
is,
think so,
guys.
too.
Oh. Oh. My shift is
What?
done. Be back. Never.
Oh, there it is. There.
Oh. I was just 200 points away. Ah. I
Okay, 4K. All right, I
4K?
did 9K. That's not terrible.
You got 9K?
9K total.
Nice,
That's
nice.
not terrible.
That's still good. That's still good. I got
That's
14.
not terrible. 14.
I mean, that's just one guess
Dang.
more than you, right?
Oh,
Damn.
that's true. My miss on South America really took a toll on me.
There's a South America one?
Yeah, there was one in what was that? Chile?
Oh, Chile.
Or
Yeah, I got that
Brazil?
one. Yeah.
Yeah, I did not get that one. I did not get that one.
I feel like,
Okay,
guys.
okay.
Yeah.
Let's get chess out of the way.
Chess.
Oh, sorry. What
Chess?
did you
Dude, you don't even practice chess. I play chess every night.
Let's just get it out of the way.
What? But you'll get Are you saying you'll get better?
No.
Or you'll get lucky. You'll get lucky like that
No.
first game.
Yeah, maybe I'll get lucky. Like the first game.
Yeah, figure.
You're 9-0-1 against me.
9-0-1. What's that?
9 wins, 0 draws, 1 loss.
I lost. Damn. All right. Try to make sure that doesn't increase. I'm gonna try to do a new strat. New strat.
That's the same. That's the same strat.
What strat? What do you mean?
That's the same strat.
No, it's a new one. I
God,
promise you.
it's the same strat.
It's a promise. It's a new one.
Okay. It's a new one.
Yeah, it's a new one. Oh, I gotta play music.
It's a new one, he says. It's a new one, he says.
It's a new
Dude,
one.
stop pre-moving. It's disrespectful.
What do you mean, disrespectful?
We'll go here. Dude, stop pre-moving. Oh, hey. We'll go here. I guess we can go here.
The rose said, "Stop thinking."
Wait, who said stop thinking?
You did.
Oh. Yeah, I did say that. Okay, we're gonna go here. Oh, he thinks he's going crazy. He thinks he's going crazy, but we're going crazy. We're going crazy. Okay, we might be too crazy. Okay, we'll do this. Let's get that guy involved.
All right.
Guys, I haven't lost any chips yet. I mean, not chips, but whatever, whatever those are called.
We're playing with
Pieces.
chips. We're playing with chips now.
We're playing with chips. Okay, let's get this guy involved. Okay, this guy's a little blocked. Okay, that's not a good place. That's also not a good place. That's not a good place. He's still blocked.
Hey, Ito.
Okay, we'll go here. What's up?
Okay. Viewers coming in, saying hello.
Oh, okay. Let's get this guy involved. He's a little blocked, but it's all good. What is he doing?
Oh. That was close.
Guys, he's not letting us in anywhere. What is he doing? Why doesn't he start playing the game, dude? Oh wait, did I miss that? No, no, he hung it. Wait. Oh no, he hung it. Oh no. I should have paid more attention when he said something. Oh, GG's. Okay, I can't even move anything anywhere.
What do you mean?
Yeah, take that. I dare you.
Yeah. Gladly. Let me think about it first. I haven't moved yet. So,
No, you did move.
oh, okay.
I don't know what I'm doing. Oh.
Okay.
Okay, and then we go.
Yo. Oh, okay.
Whoa, what is he setting up over there?
Giving that a try.
That's dangerous.
That is dangerous.
That's dangerous.
Excuse me. That is dangerous.
Bless you, sir.
Thank you.
Oh.
What are we doing today? We are enjoying the vibes with Josh here.
We're vibing out. We're vibing out.
Trying to get as much vibes as possible. Good vibes.
Good vibes only.
Yeah, we updated.
I don't know what that was.
Okay. Oh yeah, alright. You're at that. Okay.
I feel like I'm playing way less bad. Except that I missed one of your hanging pieces.
Yeah. Sometimes they don't got it. Alright.
Is that worth? Both of us should play Nightfall. Yeah, we're gonna play it. We're gonna play it.
PC health, like vitals, or mission control. There's two. And then our vitals. Right, where do you move?
Yeah, that's the game. Yeah, we're gonna play it right after this.
Boom,
Or
boom,
at
boom.
some point. Make a move, dude.
Make a move. Yeah, okay, I'm waiting. Let's see. Where should I go? Oh, okay. All right.
Okay, so boom, 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 boom. Oh no, that doesn't work. Guess we can go like this. No. Okay, we're running out of time.
We have a lot of
I
time.
don't even want to. I don't even want to move this anywhere.
Hmm.
I feel like that's just putting him in danger.
Hmm.
Why would he do that? Oh, because now I can't use my queen. Ah, you tricky, tricky guy.
Hmm?
Tricky guy.
Hmm?
Tricky,
trick?
tricky, tricky. No. Now you can move that pawn because my stupid thing. But I need this taken.
Mm-hmm. But what if I do...
Oh. Rick, rook. The rook gotta take it. The rook needs to take it. Rook. You mother. You mother.
I'll take it. I'll take it.
Oh, this guy. He's choking me to death. Uh-oh, he's +5 now.
I'll take it.
Oh no, wait, no. Undo.
Undo?
No.
Undo? What are you talking about? Undo. We doing the dailies? Yeah, these are the dailies for right now. These are the dailies. These are the dailies. Control Z. It looks fine to me. Oh, wait.
Yeah, it's fine. No, it's fine. It's fine. You mother.
Wait, what are you talking about? You have like 3 people defending you.
Oh, yeah, true. I can do that. I was like, holy, dude. I thought I
was like,
up.
is there something that I don't see?
That was strategic. Holy. I thought I lost my freaking sidewinder guy. My side slider.
Cider.
This guy is such a P. Oh, don't move that bitch forward.
Did you use the Gemini 3.7? Yes.
Yes,
I did.
Yes, it's pretty good.
I use it to just modify my files. It's with
How did that work?
with Gemini Spark. It could be used to transcribe your videos and create documents and automate all this work for you. I'm not sure if you use it. It's pretty good. I got to admit.
I haven't used Spark yet.
Yeah, give it a try. It actually might improve your whole workflow because it's all Google and it will auto transcribe everything, read the transcription, turn that into a file if you need to. And then it could do scheduled work. The pro plan is working, right? Yeah, it's working. It's totally working. It's totally working.
This guy's just waiting for me. Oh no. Oh no.
Crazy, no stress for 18 months. 18 months. Oh, you got me. You got me.
What a play.
What a
He
play.
found it.
What a play. Oh.
Oh, get your ass out of here. Get your ass out of here.
Okay, okay.
Get that horse back.
Okay. No worries. Fine, I'll take it.
Oh,
damn.
give me that.
Damn.
Give me that.
You're going for it. Retreat.
Oh, did he give that to me again?
Oh,
Hello?
what? Oh,
Wait.
man, you're right. I'm you're close. You're close.
Oh, that's 4
You're
seconds.
close. Okay. Okay.
Oh no! Oh no! You only got +4 from that. Okay, GG's. Only 2 misses.
2 misses.
That's a W.
That's
2
good.
misses. Okay.
That's good.
Nightfall.
Nightfall. All right. What's this nightfall? How do I play?
Okay. Okay. Jay, you want to play? Jay, you can play if you want.
I hope this works. Oh, yeah, it should work with my keyboard layout.
Yeah, it should work. It worked last time.
Last time for who? For a Linux user?
Here, let me. For what? Oh, for a Linux user? Oh. Oh no, it's hosted on Railway.
Okay. I mean, it's a
With
web.
Spectate, yeah. Okay. No,
It's a web thing. It should work.
Yeah, it's a web. So I sent you the link, and then the code is X, or whenever you're ready for the code, let me know.
Oh wait. Whoops. I don't know what happened. Host co-op library. Leave. Oops. Leave. X. Okay. X.
X, B, J, Q, M.
QM join. All right.
Okay.
I'm in.
Okay, so I'll guide you through the game.
You have mission control and environment.
Nice.
More?
You're there.
Just those two. Just two. I only have those two. For. Wait, or do I have more? No. What the heck's this? What is this?
Whoa, wait, Mark. Stop placing these things.
Oh, I don't even know what I'm doing.
Oh, you can. But for
How do
the
I
first couple
shoot?
rounds, you want to
How do I
save
shoot?
your money. Left click. No, not yet.
Left.
We're in like the building round. So you just basically shoot for like the first 2 rounds, and you save up money, and then we can buy guns using tab.
But what do you call it? I'm still on cube.
Oh yeah. But once I turn it to night, you should be good. And then shift is sprint, and
Shift is
shoot
sprint.
left click. Right
God, I
click
suck
is
at
kind of
this game.
useless, so don't even use that.
Okay.
Oh
my gosh.
Okay, you ready? It's a super easy round.
Okay.
Super easy round. Oh, and headshots is extra points.
Okay.
And you can pick up the ammo that they drop.
Okay. I'll just stick with it for now.
Yeah, you'll probably have to. You can kind of go crazy now.
Wait, I can't even hear them coming. I can only hear my gunshots.
Yeah. You'll know when you get hit. Bang. Headshot.
Mr. Tech Gamer, you could play, I guess next
wait.
game whenever you want to play, or
Or we can run it back.
we can run it back, sure.
Okay, Mr. Tech Gamer wants to play. He's okay. One more
Share
time.
link.
I'm gonna host
Okay.
another one.
All right. Let me get this link. Copy.
BFENE.
BFENE.
Yep.
BFENE. All right. Let me share this.
Mr. Tech Gamer.
with Mr. Tech Gamer. BFENE. All right. Added that there.
So it gets pretty hectic towards the end.
We need as much people as possible.
Yeah. So, but the way that you do it is like you kind of herd them around. So you have to make them chase you, and then you got to dodge her.
Got it.
But I'll show you guys how to do it first. I'll show you guys how to do it. Oh, Sigma got the Sigma shades on.
Oh, you haven't been watching?
Shades. No, I don't know why. I thought those were filter.
Filter? Oh, I wish. I gotta create one.
Dude, I was thinking about doing
filter.
that.
Yeah,
Like a
it'd
good
save
filter
you.
that kind of
Yeah.
like dodge it.
Yeah.
Because I was thinking about going for like normal blue lights and then having a filter that like covers my thing, so it's kind of funny.
He says no room found. Are you sure? It says to
What?
join a game. BFENE. You have to click it on the code. Don't click host by accident. Don't click host by
We
accident.
can just run it back if he.
It should work.
Yeah, it should work.
You have to click on this code thingy here, and click BFENE and then join. That's what it usually did.
Yeah, you gotta put it in here.
Boom, boom, boom. BFENE. Oh, what else? Vibe coding and vibe coding. And this hasn't been released yet, huh? This version on Windows.
Is he having trouble?
You sent it to me in Discord. Let's see.
Okay, should I just make a new lobby? I can make a new lobby. Sometimes it gets weird, I guess.
Wait. What? BFENE. Huh? That's weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, I joined it.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm gonna make a new one.
All right. Okay.
All right. Refresh, everybody.
Refreshing.
Does that even make a difference? 4FUWG.
4FUWG.
UWG.
All right. Joining. I'm on player 3. I'll put this in here.
How'd you join as player 3?
FUWG. I don't know.
Oh no. Oh no.
Why? Is there something wrong?
No, I don't know. I mean, I just thought you would just join as player 2.
Yeah, I see. No worries. No worries. I sent it to him. Maybe it blocks anybody not in the US. I don't know.
No, I played with a bunch of people not in the US. Wait, so it doesn't work for him?
I don't know. He'd be in here if it was, right? I sent it directly to him. BFE and WG, Hermes and Grokbot are I haven't used. Let's see. He sent me an image. Let me see what that shows. It's probably showing the same error, maybe. Let me check. Oh, that's weird. 4FUWG. That's strange.
It just doesn't work for him?
Yeah. He's in the production.
Okay, wait. Let's try
railway.
one last time. Let's try one more time.
One more time, really?
Okay, I'm gonna close my browser because maybe it was like an issue with the hosting.
A host name?
Well,
if that was the case, I wouldn't be able to join, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's true. Well, we'll just try one last time, and if you can't join, RIP,
Okay.
Mr. Tech Gamer.
Mr. Tech Gamer.
Okay, 2CU.
2CUED.
Sigma needs to listen to the diss track. No, I think you heard the diss track.
2CUED.
What are you making, J35? What are you making? Okay, you're in.
I'm in.
All right, Mr. Tech Gamer. This is your last chance. No, I'm just playing. Kind of.
No room code. Let's see here. Anything else?
Pasta.
None. I see he's in the right URL. Oh, maybe he's because he's in incognito mode and he's using Brave browser. I don't know.
That's probably something
that-
to do with it.
Probably.
I mean,
that's-
I guess everyone has been using Chrome.
Yeah, I think you
Yo,
have to
what
use
up,
Chrome.
Dylan?
You have to use Chrome
I
to get it working.
think?
Let me see if
I don't know.
I'll try it on my other thing.
Oh, I
Maybe,
wouldn't join. I wouldn't join. It kind of
They'll break it.
the leaving is kind of bad. Alfredo fettuccine with Alfredo. Yo, I'm back. How's it going? We out here? Oh, Dylan. Wait, Dylan, were you streaming? I thought I saw that you were streaming. Are you not streaming anymore? All right, should we play? Should we wait?
Yeah, he's having the issue too.
Damn.
Two C-U-E-D. Yeah, he tried on both. Chrome is not working. Need to play solo game, I guess. Oh, sorry, man. I don't know what is going on. Maybe the servers are only allowing people from the US because of Railway.
All right,
There might be
start
some
the siege.
firewall thing. Sorry, Mr.
Sorry,
Tech.
Mr. Tech Gamer. All right, I'm starting the night.
Okay, I didn't build anything.
Yeah, you don't have to build anything yet. The first couple rounds are just like to get money. I was rage quitting, so I quit the game. Are you still streaming, Dylan?
Okay. We get him?
Almost. And then, okay, so now I would wait. I like to get the AK. You don't have to get the AK, but the AK is good. Oh, he placed a trap for no reason. All right, I'm just gonna go tonight.
Okay.
The first two nights really don't matter. The first two nights really just don't matter. You just gotta save up for a gun.
Okay.
And then,
Oh, there's some
after
fast
that,
ones. Oh my gosh.
oh yeah.
Oh,
Those
what
are
the
the
heck?
ones.
What the heck?
Those are the ones that we're gonna have to watch out for.
Oh, at least they only take one shot.
Oh no, they take more than that.
Oh,
I think we both shot the same one.
okay.
Oh, jeez.
Oh.
Got his ass.
Nice.
Oh, you can press X to get rid of it.
X.
Okay, now you have enough to buy a gun. I'll probably buy... Should I buy the AK or yeah, I'll buy the AK. Okay, buy the AK and then get, or buy whatever you want and then buy the damage.
Okay.
What the? Putting stairs on me.
I thought I could create some stairs.
Wait, did you buy the AK?
High ground? Where? How? Tab?
Oh, tab.
AK.
We only have a limited amount of time.
Where's the AK?
Or buy you have to go to weapons. You can get AK pattern.
AK pattern.
Oh
no.
The night started. Oh no.
Okay.
You'll be fine. And then we share gold as well,
Okay.
but like we both get our own allocation of it that we can spend.
Oh man, the movement of these enemies are pretty good.
Crazy. I'm mowing these guys down. Okay, but once we get to like 50 zombies, that's when we gotta start kiting them.
Okay.
And I'll show you. You basically gotta bring them to the middle, head to a corner, and then hit the gap.
All right. Okay. So I'll just buy the saw.
Or yeah, buy whatever you want,
Saw
and then go to
off,
upgrades.
buzz off, hand cannon, iron revolver, long shot, LMG. All right. LMG.
And then I would go for the damage first.
Damage.
And
Where's the
then-
damage? Vitality.
Yeah, it's the first one, I think.
Cans. Reload time. Weapon damage. Supplies. Controls. Materials. Upgrades. Damage.
Uh-oh, then it's night coming. Night's
Alright.
coming.
Okay. Think
Okay.
I'm good. It's so dark. Oh, it's because I'm wearing sunglasses. I'm wearing sunglasses.
Oh my gosh, get off of me! Behind you!
Oh god.
Oh no, I'm out of AK bullets.
Uh-oh. Oh no, how do I change weapons?
Scroll.
I ran out of bullets already? Oh my god, there's a
Yeah, you
big
gotta go.
boy.
Yeah, don't get hit by those guys. They're slow, but do not get hit by them. But these are like our money bags, because the more we can just get them in the face.
Oh,
Domed. Okay. And then once you're done, once you maxed out, I think the damage, I would get the armor
okay.
in skills. So I get plating and then vitality and fleet foot. Those are good.
Okay. Oh, I have no money to place stuff. What happened? Oh, we have to buy materials.
Oh.
Stone structures. Okay, how do I get ammo? Upgrades?
We pick it up.
Oh. Reload time. Uh-oh. I guess I'm stuck with this? With no ammo? Oh no, I have no ammo.
Okay, I think it's time we start
Oh,
kiting
crap.
them.
Oh,
Okay,
crap.
oh, watch out. Okay, follow me. Okay,
Oh,
so we gotta
God.
go. Go to the wall.
Shoot. Oh my god.
Oh, wait, follow me, no!
No, oh god.
Gotta
I'm dead.
revive you.
I'm
Okay,
dead.
you gotta kite them. Because we're slightly faster than the blue guys. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Oh my gosh, there's so many.
Dude, so...
Oh, you left me.
I'm shooting, man. I'm shooting. I'm trying to get all the ones that.
Oh my god.
What's funny is they don't even like they don't even aggro.
Oh no, because you're down.
Yeah, if you kite them my way, I can at least shoot them.
Oh my god, they're coming! Run!
I can't move. I can't move. But I could shoot at them.
No, I revived. Yeah, I revived.
Oh, I have no ammo. I have one frag. Fire.
Frag out.
Frag out. Okay. I don't know why my frag. I'm clicking the frag, but it's not going. Headshot. 6 Molotov.
Okay, I got all the fast guys out. All right, we can clean up.
Oh, I got some. Do I have infinite ammo or something?
Oh, you got ran down.
Back on your feet. Okay. Oh.
Yeah, I revived you.
Oh, nice. But I have no ammo. Oh, you know what was wrong, guys? I wasn't sprinting.
Oh yeah, shift to sprint.
And you could sprint the whole time. There's no fatigue.
Yeah, there's no fatigue.
Oh, that was my problem.
Okay, for these guys, just use your small bullets.
Okay. Oh. I was hoping we could create like a little wall blockers to kite them.
Yeah, I tried, but it's not that good.
Not that
We
good.
can try.
I don't even
It's
know
just,
how
like,
to get
not-
materials.
Yeah, you gotta chop down the trees and stuff.
Chop down the trees.
Yeah, shovel is on 4, I think, or hatchet is on 3. Oh, you only can do it during the daytime.
Oh, no wonder.
Yeah, I don't think you want to be chopping down trees when them zombies are here.
Where's my reload?
Oh, it's R, but if you just shoot all your bullets out,
Okay.
it'll reload. Oh my gosh, you have the whole family here.
Yep. Oh my gosh.
Bang, 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 bang.
And have you played Minecraft? Because I haven't played Minecraft. I've only watched people
Yeah,
play
I
it.
played Minecraft.
I've only watched people play
I
it.
played Minecraft. I had one server that I was like really a part of.
Oh, what the heck?
With my college friend.
They all spawned into like a...
Oh yeah, yeah. Sometimes they get trapped in the blocks.
Yeah. Okay.
The blocks are kind of traps as well.
Wait, how do I
Okay,
even...
bye.
How do I knock down... How do I switch to an axe? I can't?
Yeah, it's 4, I think. 3 or 4, or
I can't do it while I'm in daytime.
no, I'm pretty sure you can.
Really?
Oh, it's you. Is it you?
You?
No.
Oh my gosh.
V? Oh, V.
V? Okay, V, okay.
I would buy your stuff though first.
Yeah. I don't know how to buy ammo. How do I buy ammo?
No, you pick up ammo. You pick up ammo off the ground.
But what about for my grinder? My LMG? Oh, now it reloaded. Oh, it's because it takes a while to reload? Uh-oh. Behind us.
Oh! Watch out, watch out. Running backwards is pretty hard too. Or not, it's not very effective. W, get your ass out of here. Oh, maybe we should turn this up, dude. It's too easy.
So, I don't even know how my reload time is. Alright.
Oh no, I'm out of AK bullets. I'm stupid. Why did I use them all?
Cool. Easy.
Easy.
Alright.
Oh wait, actually, dude, this thing was sick. Like
What?
being able to like get them in like a choke point.
Yeah.
Like get him to walk down this thing and we just light him up.
Yeah.
That was kind of genius.
That's what I wanted to do.
That was actually kind of genius. But we need a way out and to escape. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Oh no, I only have an M9.
Uh-oh, how do I get back up here? Uh-oh. Could you jump in this game?
Oh no! Oh! Rod! Oh no. Oh no, there's so many zombies.
Oh, I can finally throw a fag. Oh, I blew myself up.
Oh no.
Wait, I'm still alive though. I'm still alive.
No, you're just down. You're just down.
Oh, come on. Reload. I can't reload? I'm trying to reload. Oh, I guess I don't have... Run!
Oh,
Run!
no. We're screwed.
Run,
We're
run!
screwed.
Run,
I'm out of
run.
bullets.
What?
Oh,
There's
no.
bullets
I'm out
everywhere.
of
There's
bullets.
bullet. Well, I'm shooting at them.
Oh, no.
I get the game now. I get the game.
That was
I
fun.
get it. I get it. Well, it took me.
That was fun.
If I knew how to like, what does a shovel do again?
The shovel is for... I don't even know. Never
Dug a
tried the shovel.
trench? I just see these
Ah.
animations for digging. Or at least I know for next time. At least I know.
W.
Oh, you,
Okay.
That was fun.
What's up?
That was fun. That was fun.
That was fun. That was fun. Okay. Do we have any more dailies that we do?
Dailies? Oh, there's the
Oh, wiki race.
wiki race. Yeah, we didn't do wiki race last time.
Yeah, wiki race.
It's fun when we
That
could
was
actually play with
fun.
other people in wiki race too.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'll create a lobby.
Okay.
From where? No, here. I'll just go to your Twitch.
What?
Are
You
they
can
in your
just-
Twitch or your YouTube?
I have split 50-50. 3-3.
Oh. 913 AE.
913 AE. 913 AE. All right.
Sigma's
What?
in. It's guys. It's wiki dash. Okay, let me peek real quick.
Yeah.
Holy. Also, if you ever
Wiki
do
race.
one of those like vibe coding, chill, open the mic, I'll probably jump in later tonight.
Sounds good.
If you do it. If you do it.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I think it's good. Now we talking. Join the lobby, guys. Wiki race. Wiki race. Wiki race. Let's check our vibe coding. Make sure we're vibe coding. Let's see. Override now. What's this? Build gate. Terminal plugin. Sure. Pictures, wind boat, pictures, wind boat. Set up a VTuber account. Dante's gonna be a VTuber?
VTuber.
Dante, a
Did I hear that
VTuber.
right? Did Mr. Text in there? Is that it? Okay, where do we start from?
Where do we start from? VTuber.
Let's start VTuber. Okay. VTuber. VTuber to the Roman Empire.
What the heck? What the
Okay.
heck? The Roman
Or you want-
Empire.
we can pick a different one if you guys have other ideas.
Let's see. I'm trying to.
Ultra gave you credit for finding bugs. Nice.
What's happening? Huh? What's happening? Wait. Was it? What's happening in chat? There's like a lot of old messages. The ghost. Oh, I think J35 has his bot in the chat, so it's like talking about. I don't know what it's talking about. Sometimes,
Kick them
right?
out. Kick
No,
them
no,
out.
no. What do you mean? What's happening in the chat? No, like
Should we just go-
Dante is going on his big rants. Dante goes on his big rants. That's Dante. That's Dante though. And
Where are we gonna go to?
All right.
VTuber to what?
VTuber to
We'll go to The NBA.
Mythos.
Mythos?
Yeah.
Claude Mythos, okay?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, sounds,
all right.
Sounds fair. Sounds
Game
fair.
starting. Game starting.
All right.
Go.
Go. Okay. Oh, we got computer graphics.
Live streamers.
Computers.
Facebook.
Okay.
AI.
Oh, what? AI? No way.
No, Kizuna AI.
Is it an AI cluster, program, computation?
YouTube. Oh no, that was not the right place.
Computer science, other computers.
Twitter.
Artificial intelligence, okay.
Oh no.
AI
we're stuck
regulation.
Twitter. Grok.
Oh no. I'm panicking. I'm panicking.
Open source. Oh, not open source. OpenAI. Where's Claude? Where's
Arms
Claude?
race. Arms race.
Elon Musk. Oh,
Killer robots. Black box.
Deep learning.
OpenAI. Come on, where is it? Where is it? It has to be here, guys.
And where is Anthropic?
Yeah, where's Anthropic? Israel?
How is Anthropic not here?
Disassociation. Weak AI, Second Cold War. Shoot. I guess I'm just gonna have to click on.
I don't know how. GPT-4?
Dolly, Trump administration.
Is Anthropic just not on? What the heck?
Oh, I'm getting dizzy. AGI. XAI, Meta. What? Where is Anthropic, guys? XAI.
What? Oh, man. Security.
Oh, okay. Anthropic. Okay. Anthropic. Claude
Security?
Mythos.
Oh.
Claude Mythos.
Oh, no.
Yes.
Oh my God. Security? Oh, okay. All right, next one. Okay, he got one. First to three.
Right. I need to take off the glasses. My eyes.
His eyes.
My burning.
You want to wait? Okay, right here. Here it is. This is the code. This is the site. Wiki-race. J35 is going to join.
All right. J35. Okay. Anybody here wants to join? Anybody that wants to join, join.
Okay. Let's go from. All
right.
Chud.
Chud? Not a gamer like that.
We'll go from Chud. Oh, actually no. Let's go to Garbanzo. Let's start at Garbanzo.
Oh, okay, Garbanzo, the Chuck Norris.
Garbanzo. Oh, wait. Did I not spell it right? Oh, it doesn't. It's just saying chickpea.
Chickpea, yeah. Garbanzo, the chickpea.
Okay, we'll just start from chickpea then.
Chickpea, okay.
Yeah.
This is like brain rot equivalent. Yeah.
Okay, chickpea to where Chuck Norris?
Yeah.
Chuck Norris. All right, ready?
Ready.
Go. Mammoth to Dario.
Protein. Human
chickpea.
body. Human body.
Oh, he's going through the protein. Okay,
psychology, development. Okay, this will probably take a while. So you just gotta chillax. William Harvey.
Cuisine, Ethiopia, Iran.
Physician.
Okay, we'll go to Hindi.
We need to get to like a health professional. Chuck Norris.
Internet.
He's
No.
definitely
Film.
a person.
Film. We're in film.
Oh no.
We're in film. Hindi cinema. Hollywood.
Hindi cinema.
Cinema. Let's go.
Oh no. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Okay. Honestly, I don't really know the names of the movies.
Psychologist, dentist. He's definitely physical therapist. I don't know. Let's try that.
Can I look at one of the names of the movies he's in? I don't even know the name.
I don't even know any movie that he's in.
Oh no. Oh, what are we gonna get there?
Cardiovascular.
Anyone know how to get to Chuck Norris?
Systems, organs, heart. I'm still on health. On heart. Lymph. You're all cooked. Digestive system. Chewing. We're in the year chewing. Chewing gum. Alright, chewing gum. Chewing gum. COVID-19 pandemic.
How am I gonna get
Go shoot
Arnold
zombies.
Schwarzenegger?
You're out of your league. COVID-19. Wait, when did Chuck Norris die? Pandemic. There's a movie on pandemic, right?
I don't even know how to get
Artificial intelligence. AI winter. DARPA. Hi. Eisenhower? You're just live? Nice. What were you doing live? You're a kid. You can't be streaming as a kid. That's against the TOS. That's against the TOS. I don't know what the age of streaming is. Do you know the age? Power Rangers?
I'm pretty sure you can't do it before 18 or at least 16.
I see. Twitch is 13 plus.
Okay, we're in action films.
Oh, we need to get the films, guys. Films.
If he's not in here,
Sputnik. Space Race.
dude, there's no way I'm getting to Chuck Norris.
We have to get.
I don't know anything about Chuck Norris.
The biggest NASA donor.
Oh, Chuck Norris!
No way.
Oh, let's go!
No way.
Let's go!
No way.
Let's go!
Action film.
How did I get there?
Nice. What movie was he in? Action
Chuck
film.
Norris.
It was just action film. Chuck Norris.
Yeah.
Oh
He
man.
was just there.
He was just there. See, you found him.
Okay.
That was fast.
Okay, first the 2 wins. First the 2 wins.
All right.
Let's go Minecraft.
Minecraft. Okay.
Minecraft to
Dab.
the mantle. What?
The mantle? What's the mantle?
Like the Earth's core.
Oh, isn't that easier?
Earth's mantle.
About
Or you want to try something else? What'd you say?
dab the gesture.
Dab. Dab, dance. Dab, parentheses, dance. Okay,
Okay.
Minecraft to dab.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Oh. Minecraft dab. Okay.
Okay.
Best-selling video games.
Lava.
Let's go to.
Chicken, zombie, spiders.
Oh no, that was a free game. No. Oh no. Video
Dab
games.
dams.
Okay. We gotta go. We gotta get to. I'm going to Fortnite.
Oh,
Hopefully the
Jang.
dab comes in there.
Where's the dance, guys? Version of truth? What?
Internet.
Bugs? Path tracing?
What? Where is he going? Where is he going?
iOS? NetEase? Napoleon Dynamite?
YouTube?
Dance scene? Dance scene?
Where's TikTok? Oh no. That wasn't out there yet.
Michael Jackson? Hip hop? Michael Jackson
go to,
doesn't
like,
dab, but
Dances.
does hip hop dance? Hey
That's not
Millsy.
hip-hop. Trolls.
That's not
open
Falco.
source.
Hip hop.
Lung cancer.
Come on, dance. Hip hop. The jerk. The jerk. Jerk rap.
Wait, he's on the
rap and
jerk?
street dance. Okay.
Street dance? Oh no.
Dip. The jerk. Internet
Rick
rap.
rolling?
Jerk. Jerk. Days, SoundCloud, Silk Galore,
Internet memes?
Cloud Rap, Hip Hop, Coin, Peso, Purple Swag, Purple Swag,
Vine?
Blunts, Smoking Blunts, okay, Cannabis.
Wait, what? Oh, he's going through that dab route. Oh no.
Philly, Hemp, Banana, Joint, Passive Smoking, Third Smoke, Third Hand Smoke, Lung Cancer, Lung Problems,
TikTok.
Risk the Children.
Okay, I don't know how we're gonna get to dab, dude. What would
That's
even
it.
have dab on?
That's what you said about Chuck Norris.
That's it. That is what I said about Chuck Norris. That is fair. Hashtag challenges?
Junk Science. What?
Oh wait,
What?
you got it.
Mr. Tech got it.
Hip hop dance.
Hip hop dance?
was on hip hop
I
dance.
was already on hip hop.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Okay, run one more. Let's go from AI, artificial intelligence to what?
Okay. To
What was the first technology? Fire.
fire.
Oh
Okay.
no, that would be kind of easy. Artificial intelligence to Will Smith. No. Let's go like a niche food, a
Wall
niche
Street
food.
bets. Do Wall Street bets.
Wall Street bets.
AI to Wall Street bets.
Okay. AI to r/Wall Street bets.
Got it.
All right. First one to two. Mr.
First one to
Tech,
two.
me, and Sigma all have one.
Mm-hmm.
To Cleopatra. Oh, too late. r/Wall Street bets. Search engines.
Oh, no. GPT. Copilot.
What?
AI.
Reddit's not on here?
AI. Cache burn. CoreWeave. Python.
Search
VPN.
results.
Mass surveillance.
YouTube. Where's Reddit?
Where is the Reddit?
What? SEO? AI boom?
Sam
No,
Altman.
not AI boom.
Sam
PageRank?
Altman. Y Combinator. Reddit.
What? He's on Reddit? Oh
what?
no.
What? It's stuck
Oh,
on
no.
loading.
No, yes.
Current affairs. Ruthless's campaign. April Fools. Brigading. SEO change. Hate speed advertising. Trading and cryptocurrency. Where is it? GameStop. r/Wall Street Bets. Yes.
Oh, Mr. Tech.
Yes. What? What?
No, he
He
got it
beat
before
me.
you.
Oh, I
He got
literally
it
clicked
before
on
you.
it. I clicked on the link. Oh no. He beat me by like.
It was the loading speed.
Oh
It was the
no.
loading speed.
No, I was like, what?
GG.
I clicked on it. We both clicked on it. Bam, he won. Shoot. He got me. He got me. Mr. Tech is the winner.
Mr.
Damn,
Tech is the
that was
winner.
crazy. It was literally like 1 millisecond.
I gotta see it on your screen. I'm gonna watch it. Play back.
I'm like, yes, and then not what?
That's
Keep in mind, Mr. Tech is in India. India.
W.
So we had it way before
All
me.
right. I'm gonna head out.
All right, take
The
care,
long
man.
Stream.
It's been a
right.
while.
Oh.
Good job, good job.
I'll be
You
in
did
your
it.
chat, probably.
Not
did
as
it.
not 9,000 hours, but you probably have more than 9,000 hours of time anyway.
Yes, that's true. All right, people. I'm gonna be back tomorrow. 9
Alright.
hours in.
Yeah, you could
W.
chill when you're ready and eat and stuff.
Yep.
And
And I'll probably be in your chat. All right, guys.
Sounds good.
Thank you to
Thanks-
Sigma. Thank you
thank
for
you,
all
Josh.
being here. I'll leave the Discord.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
Return to Discord.
Enjoy
Alright, see ya.
your break. See ya.
Thank you.
All right. PC was lagging and you still won. PC was lagging, still won. Domain extension infinite LARP. Oh man. All right. What's next, guys? We are improving Sigma Shake. Improving the Sigma Shake. We added a live graph to Insights, which would be great. You could actually see your agents working in real time. One thing that's I need to fix is this generic solo agent. Overall, looks pretty cool. Especially this, but I need to be able to, what do you call it? Go back in time, possibly. And then also, does this work? Go to Insights. All right, perfect. Go to Terminal. Oh no, it doesn't do it. Doesn't do it. Oh no. And then this thing is overlapping. And almost, you watched the click that almost got it? Yeah, crazy. Compact. Oh, need to hide this thing. Boom. Alright, so we need to fix new features. We added a firewall and sandbox feature too. And that's being executed on both what do you call it? On the Windows machine and my Mac machine, both have it. Push needs you. Why does it need me? The push rebased fully blocked by no verify, which is justified the failure proved upstream. Can you tell me a little bit about mission control and vital? Yeah, sure. So mission control, think of like when you launch, think of SpaceX, right? SpaceX has like a lot of checks to make sure, like when it launches to Mars or wherever it's going, it makes sure that everything is healthy before launch. And so I just vibe coded up a service that will check on like everything to make sure that, other service that I have is also BuildGate too. I lied accidentally. BuildGate is another service that coordinates like tests and builds and pushes and deployment, so that when I have multiple agents working on the same project in monorepo, it doesn't spawn too many tests to that will explode my machine. So I have it go through a BuildGate. I'm trying to create the Windows version of this soon. I already have a Mac version of this, but it's not ready yet. I'm trying to get the Mac one version sort of working, but the Linux version, I also have to separate it as a separate product too, as well. But just, yeah, I definitely want to bring all these services all together into a single thing. For Vitals is quite simple. It keeps track of my CPU, memory, and graphics card, and power. And sort of forces all services to not go above a threshold of resources, so that it doesn't explode my machine or my graphics card. And then, yeah, I have this thing that's coming up recently, a fork storm, which is like a bunch of processes that spawn and could cause a spike in power. So I have it watching for that to enforce that not a lot of processes spawn at the same time. And I think you could see this in like system monitor. Yeah, the system monitor have tons of cores running, and they're not, most of them aren't going to 100%. Yeah, it's possible to control all the resources, yeah, that your computer uses. But then again, I'm on Linux, you guys are on Windows. And yeah, mission control just combines everything all together. So is it possible to control those resources tasks? It's like a combination of like, say you're executing a command or a test or a build. Build, tests, and deployments take the most CPU and memory resources, right? So if you have them all go through like a gate, like a semaphore or a code BAM, a mutex lock, yeah, there's several ways to prevent overlap and collision to cause everything, all services to spawn at the same time. And so this should be, I sent you a Discord, okay. Let's see here. Oh, nice. Cockpit. That looks nice. Wow, you have a lot going on. to, is that yours? That's yours? That looks good. Looks good, guys. What should I do? You got something. Ideally, you just want to make your tests go through your test adopt a build gate, right? A build gate service that will control your builds and your tests and pushes. So when you have like 20 agents working at the same time, they're all going through this process so that they don't collide with each other and explode your computer. And then mission control just combines it all together to have everything on a single pane of glass. So when you want to check the health of all your whole platform and product, you just keep asking, you know, is mission control at 100%? Are we ready to launch? Build gate, test gate, push gate. Yeah, there's like 3 different gates. And I'm almost there, but recently I added a few more features because I wanted to fix a lot of bugs, update the website and stuff. And this looks cool for the demo. Look at that demo. That looks cool. That looks good. Looks good, guys. That looks good. All right. All right. Yeah, looks cool. Looks cool. We used the React Bits UI to make a little bit of spice to the UI. And then, yeah, just add a little spice there. I added that. All right. Next. Oh yeah, guys. Terminal update. Okay, the terminal. Did you reinstall the new version of SSG running locally? I still see the terminal. Null UI did not apply changes when running the SSG dashboard open command and opening terminal. Thinking about cybersecurity safeguards, okay. Running safely, skill, consistent guardrail terminology. Oh my goodness. From these bot messages, how will you read real chats? I mean, Dante is not a bot. That's the thing. He's not a bot. He's literally typing this out. Yeah. Yep. Going to run with Sigma in your ear. Sounds good. Good time to be alive. Hey, it's as long as, yeah. That's good, that's good. Crazy. Yeah, it is crazy. I can't type as fast as him. What's going on in here? Fun, man, fun. Hello. Wow, you just joined. Hello. Man, I was watching Bridgemind and he didn't, I thought he was going to stream longer for a silent stream, but I guess he'll come back. It's like still the middle of the day. Won't get hit by a car. Yeah, don't get hit by a car. Look both ways. Pay attention. Pay attention. Don't look at the phone while running. You might get a sprained ankle. Or going downstairs. Or falling down the stairs. Well, firewall feature. Right. The firewall feature, guys. We have SSG, Sigma Shake's going to control the firewall and configure it for you. Or sort of give you the opportunity to configure it. Okay, where is the other browser? Oops. Let's see. By the way, how you GPU used in workspace as CPU core? Sorry. How's your GPU used in your workspace as CPU core are working hard? Needs sudo. Give me all the commands to run myself. Free RDP, narrative, very extreme. Narrative? Really extreme? Narrative? Yeah? That wasn't RDP though. That wasn't free RDP. This is free RDP. Oh no. The UI is a little scuffed. Maybe there isn't enough GPU provision for this Docker container. Yo, hey Alphonsink, how's it going? Let's see here. Terminal's okay. We're gonna have to, yeah. I don't know why it's frozen. It's probably because I don't have enough GPU in this thing, or there's something going on with the rendering. I won't know until somebody else. In which task do you use the GPU hard? Navi, running a LLM locally. So like, Navi used to be able to talk and stuff. That would use a lot of GPU, but I offloaded that to NVIDIA. And then, oh my gosh, it wants me to run all these commands. The rendering of the hair. Why can't it run it themselves? Fine. I'll give it a try. Okay, pull. That also does not work. Try doing it yourself. Try running all the commands yourself first. I have a lot of Git conflicts that need to be fixed and reconciled. All right, I used Fable for the first time and it was able to fix the bug OpenConfig for 4 tries. Yeah, this whole week, CodeBam, I used tons of Fable. This whole week, I used nothing but Fable. Right now, I'm trying to use up this account that has a little bit of Opus left, but no Fable left. I just opened Claude in the terminal for VS Code inside Claude folder for the first time. Lit. Okay. Yeah, Opus is not good, guys. I think Opus 4.8 is way better. Niso is right. I do agree. Opus 4.8 is better than 5. 5 just keeps hallucinating or making stuff up. Fable 5, though, fixes everything. Fable is back. Yeah. Fable wasn't taken away, guys. The reason why everybody started using Opus was because it was new and it was cheaper. Dante doing automation stuff. Let's see here. We are running. I mean, back, like, it's better. It still falls on its face when it comes to security stuff. So it like automatically switches to 4.8 as soon as it runs into like any security related topic. And it says this goes against guardrails or something like that. But I did make a request for the accounts to, I had a bunch of accounts that were in the, that vulnerability program or something like to be approved to do security pen test stuff. So, yeah, I had it approved for like 2 accounts. This is my 3rd account. Yeah, I don't care about security. Yeah. Chicken. You don't care about security until your customers get hacked. I tell you that. So good. To be fair, it's hard to keep up with vulnerability management. Vulnerability management is the worst. If there's anything about security that I don't like, it's vulnerability management, guys. Nobody likes vulnerability management. Not even the people that do vulnerability management for a living like vulnerability management. All right. Let it do its thing. Let's go back to the windows. Is there anything wrong with Windows? It says complete everything, 2 things left blocking. I feel like hackers have the upper hand. It seems like LMs are made to hack. Yep, it's true. It's true. Hack the planet. Your main chain route still needs a call. I repaired the ambiguous save. Right. But still commits to find. Reconcile. Reconcile. Fix. And proceed with fixing up the last two findings. Let's do that. So now that I have those features in, let's do a mission control one more time. Now that those features should exist. G5.6 Cyber, did you use that one? No, I did not. I wasn't able to get in the daybreak. They didn't, I don't know, every time I submit a submission, their form to request access explodes. And so I haven't been able to get access to that either. I've been able to get access to 5.5 Cyber, 5.6 Cyber, Daybreak. I don't have enough subscribers, guys. I need more subscribers so they'll notice me. And I'll get approved. It's okay though. Because the amount I need, it'll be in the hundreds of thousands for them to pay attention. Or we find out some vulnerability and we get attention. How many? Okay. The watch time hours keeps going backwards, guys. It goes backwards. I was at like 1,300 and then it went back to 1,000. Crave videos? Yeah, I have to crave videos. But my videos aren't as viral as everybody else's. It's not. I have to work on a banger of a video. I have to work on a banger of a video for it to work. Is there anything else for this one? Small videos? Yeah. I need to create some videos. I'm really bad. I think YouTube video called I streamed for 100 days. This is what happened. Yeah. That is also a possibility. I did stream the 87 days things and saw what happened, and really hard to get promoted. Like, you could create a video, guys, but if it's not good or relatable, it's really hard to watch. The first 10 seconds. First 10 seconds. But we'll try. We will try. Right now, we just need a good working product. Professor L. Yes, Professor L. It's so funny. That's an L of all letters. Of all letters, it's L. Huh. Is this done? I think it's done. Why does it not have a summary of what it did? It did all these things, but no summary. Okay, that's fine then. So I'll consider this sandbox feature done then. Can you check mission control, workspace coverage? Check what our accurate progress is out of 100. I recently just introduced a few features for the terminal, sandbox, and firewall. Just wanted to see if we could update clickbait videos. Possibly, but they'll drop off. Okay, so no, it hasn't been reinstalled. Reinstall it now. Okay, what is this shell doing? Graphify update. That's it? That's all you're doing? Oh my gosh. Reinstall SSG to latest version now. You are approved to compile, build, and publish. All right. What else do we have here? Firewall features. Firewall features. Firewall features will be tricky for Mac and Windows, but I'm crossing my fingers it will work. Just like every other Vibe. The thing is, I'm not so confident on this version because this is going to be created in Opus 5 instead of Fable 5. So I figured throw as much Opus 5 tokens at this problem as possible, and then we'll have Fable fix it all up afterwards. Right now, this account has quite a few tokens on it, but it has no Fable tokens on it. But it resets tomorrow, so we only have less than 80% usage left. But Opus 5 doesn't use that much tokens. Like you could spend a whole week using Opus 5. But Fable 5 only use it for 1 day. Oh, what the heck? I got a reset for Fable. What the heck? Hey, reset. Reset for Fable, guys. Pog. Let's stop this. Sweet. Review the original prompt using the Fable model and continue work. That's cool. I've been using Opus 5 on 5X and it barely uses my limits. What? Okay, it lied to me, guys. It lied to me. Look at that. It lied. It lied. What the heck, guys? It lied. Oh, wait. Oh, it says 100% used. Ah, dude. I'm confused, guys. I'm confused. Sorry. I lied to myself. I lied to myself. All right, let's go back to when I didn't say that. Big L, Big L, Big L. I got, for some reason, my brain thought it was Claude code. Not Claude, codex. Oh. My brain, guys. My brain's not working. I already used half my brain cells today for the day. But we'll let that resume. Man, Opus 5 does not use that much tokens. But at the same time, it does not deliver. At least for me. Might deliver for other people. So definitely put it in the ultra code mode and just get that thing to work. But I'm afraid that I'm not going to be using... I have a good 5 hours. Well, this account resets tomorrow, so I could have it working on all day. All day. Mr. Tech? What's this? Can I connect ChatGPT to iCloud, building your own plugin live? Collab with her, she is live. He is Vibecoding, TTS, sadly, she is disabled. What is this? I can't be Vibecoding with everybody. Who's this? What am I looking at, guys? Everything is not showing up.
That's what we're using. So let me go ahead and just do a...
What is this? What is this? Oh, I don't know, man.
So
I don't
anybody
know.
can follow...
I don't know. I think we're strictly only gonna collab with the boys, guys. With the boys for now. With the boys for now. Keep it that way, yo. Maybe later. Maybe, for now, guys. For now. Bro said that not for me. I can't, guys. I can't. I cannot. Wait, he wasn't watching. Yeah, you don't want to watch that part. Don't watch that part. Don't watch that part. Forget it ever happened, guys. Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. Okay. Can I check the mission control for coverage? Check what. I recently just introduced a few features for the terminal sandbox. The boys just wanted to see if we could update. I'm gonna go back. No, don't go back. Don't go back. Don't go back. Just wanted to see if we could update. We could update. See if we could get an accurate update. Accurate status. We need to get everything to 100. Currently working on the firewall feature for Mac and Windows. Those prompts are still running right now. You need to do 10 push-ups for that one? 10 push-ups for that one? Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know. I need the money to rain. I need raining money, like a lot of raining money, for me to exercise. It's more than just one gift sub. It has to be like 5 gifted subs for me to do the push-up stuff. Bridgemind switched to Grok plan. I think he was using you're dying. Oh my god. Dude, you know what? I wonder, dude, I'm not sure if I could risk. I could try that Mog thing. The Mog thing, but I have to like quickly switch to make sure it's a good guy, but then again, they could just switch on me really quick. Oh, Moggle. Too risky, guys. Too risky. Way too risky. Not even Twitch was like going on about it. Ooh, this looks better. Looks better. Oh, look at that, guys. Graph background. Oh, we could set the transparency. Thermal settings. Occupancy. How do I set the occupancy? It's not working. Background, none. Occupancy, 0. Fire code. I don't see it. I don't see it. Blur? No blur. I see it. Okay. Now we fixed it. There's just too many buttons here. There's way too many buttons. Way too many buttons. Probably move the SSG terminal governed and then the actions at the very bottom and the time. Keep the leader the same. But now, when we have different layouts here, we just close the browser. Boom. And then we could go back to here. Oops. Oh, it didn't do it. Fireworks. Hanabi and SSG. Yeah. This will be good, guys. This will be good. Also, we were looking last night. There was an advertisement that I saw that I want to share. This one. Oh. Last night I shared this. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, why is it doing that? Why is it doing that, guys? Go back. Go back. This is a good ad. This is a good ad. It's open source too, guys. You have multiple accounts? It's even more chaotic though. What do you think of HRDR plus first mate? I don't know about him. Herder? Oh, that one? I'm not sure. There's so many apps, I don't use any of them. I found this one pretty interesting. You play games. I thought that was a pretty interesting ad for their thing. I mean, here's the copy link. But proceed hot now. Here it is, guys. Here it is. There it goes. There it goes. I don't use much tools, guys, but that's okay. Made a game where you operate a toll road and need to keep processing vehicles through. Oh. Okay. Interesting, interesting. Are they having better algorithms now to recommend stuff? Hopefully. Hopefully. In flight, alright. What do you have here? In flight, you'll report. Okay, when you're done. Okay. Whoops. Sorry, guys. I have to close this because I get distracted when I read this. That feature is done. And then this firefall feature also not done, but I would consider it done on the Linux side of things, so I could close this. Huh? Huh? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hmm? Hmm? Okay. Nothing crazy. Windows? How's Windows doing? Oh. How deep should it reconcile? Leave all through, also restore unproven workflow. Leave all untouched. Oh my gosh, so many. You and ownership. Alright, sure. How should I fix the vibe no destruction zap false positive? The role lives in this role. They clearly aim for generate consider tenant code, not first party. Okay. Okay, we'll scope it. The node-based terminal manager, your terminals, your agents on infinite canvas. Yeah, a lot of people are doing infinite canvases. I mean, it isn't too bad. We were using Excalidraw and it has an infinite canvas, but the problem is how big of the file it becomes. The file becomes huge. I'm sort of worried. I really want Fable to work on fixing this. And I know Opus will have a really hard time. But I already have Fable working in the background doing something else. Screw it. Just keep using Fable 5 or Opus 5. Just keep using Opus 5. Hope nothing crazy happens. Oh. What else do we have to do? Alright. I was going to continue. I mean, these two things are working. They both started, so I could just let it vibe. Let it vibe? Right? I can let it vibe, and then I could just move on to something else, right? Going back. Guys, it's Tuesday. Has there been more content to watch? Wow, we got an hour of Big A, guys. We got a whole hour of Big A. Huh? I forget the way it works all times. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with my Chrome, guys? What's wrong with my Chrome? Something's wrong with my Chrome, guys. What is AI security prelimina? Smart, fast, secure AI, okay. Add that. My feed is so cooked, guys. Check this out. Okay. Birthday stream. Oh, guys, we gotta watch the legend, guys. We gotta watch the legend. Proof fixing Opus 5. Okay. Why tech doesn't make us happy anymore? Oh man. Alright. Oops. Oh, Mr. Tech sending me like 5 things. Wait, what's going on? Not Big A. Not Big A? You don't like Big A? JK, love Big A. Alright, what was this? It for some reason, the links get cut off. Mr. Tech. I'm not joking. You got a video unavailable? Why is there hackers in this world? What? I think you might need to send it directly to me. Videos are not working. The average Linux user. Hi, I'm Terry, the Terrible. The CIA will be executed with and oh my god, what's going on? The fist of God. What kind of view is that? What kind of video is that? Oh my gosh, what did I just watch? All right. Before we continue on, let's just make sure we saw all the things that are showing for the AI category. Jesus. Dude, WTF. 9 days ago. Oh, we didn't get to watch this, guys. Gary Tan. Oh, we got lots of chill content to listen to. All right. We can watch in the background. Or listen in the background. Listen in the background. But let's first see what we could do to fix Opus 5. Oh wait, why am I watching this on Chrome? It's a sin. It's a sin to watch YouTube videos on a Chrome browser. Guys, a cardinal sin now. It used to not be the case. And then they removed uBlock Origin.
Deb Dan here. Like me, you've probably gotten sick and tired. What's up, engineers? Andy Deb Dan here. Like me, you've probably gotten sick and tired of Opus 5's insanely verbose responses and its overuse of phrases like load-bearing, worth stating plainly,
Delete
here's the honest
everything
truth,
now.
and a bunch of others. Or maybe you're tired of the Anthropic team trying to take credit in your Git commit messages for intelligence you paid for. Or maybe you notice Opus 5 is burning your cache
Genify in
with
Chrome,
way
yeah.
more output tokens than any model before it. You're not alone.
Dude, you
Myself
slapped.
and many engineers
You got slapped with 2 minutes ads? Yeah, dude.
feel the exact same.
I turned it all the way up, man. You know why? Because there's so many people talking crap on Twitch. I just said, screw it. If you're gonna talk shit, at least watch 2 minutes of ads. Watch as much ads as possible.
State of the art.
So that's why, subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Get a gift sub. Pray for a gift sub. That's what you gotta do. Thanks for watching the ads, though. That at least gave me 10 cents.
Ultra smart models and one of the worst state-of-the-art models ever released because it talks like a complete smartass. In this video, we turn smartass Opus 5 into a precise senior engineer that's enjoyable to work with. How are we going to do that? We're going to use one of the most important skills any engineer using agents can learn. You know what it is.
Oh, and Ewo, you could just watch on YouTube. There's no ads on YouTube. I'm not monetized.
It's prompt engineering. The skill that was once a complete joke is now the most important skill for any engineer to master to scale their impact with agents. If you hear someone say prompt engineering is dead, completely ignore them. They have no idea what they're talking about. I've been engineering for 15 years now, and one thing that all the best engineers I've worked with know how to do extraordinarily well is this. Above all, they know how to communicate with their technology. And guess how you communicate with agents? Yes, prompts. There are two ways to prompt engineer your agents. Most engineers only use one, and the second is most powerful by far. At the end of this video, you'll have the prompt engineering expertise to make your AI agent communicate like a precise, cracked senior engineer, no matter the model that's running. Today it's Opus 5.
Something's
tomorrow
wrong.
It'll be something else. Let's fix Opus 5 with system prompt engineering.
He's gonna fix it, guys.
What are the two ways to prompt your agents? There's, of course, the user prompt, which you're very familiar with, the single task at hand. But then there's the system prompt, which is the law for every task you hand your agent.
Hello,
Most
Master
engineers
Chief.
fixate
What?
on skills, slash this, slash that, slash plan, slash grill, slash review. Don't get me wrong, skills are powerful. The user prompt is powerful, but the system prompt is vastly more useful, and most engineers never even touch it because the system prompt is where where every single word you write is multiplied over every single user prompt. The system prompt is essential for setting up great
Didn't see a
communication
ringtone or
patterns
a message
with
tone
your
in
agents
stream.
and for reducing those expensive
Yes, he's
Opus
gonna fix
5
it.
output token costs dramatically. The
He's gonna
system
fix it,
prompt is where
guys.
the real leverage is. Let me show you exactly what I mean. In VS Code here, we have the simple 3-file structure. I've cloned down Zuck's "The future is for everyone." We're going to do what all of us degenerates do nowadays. We just
117,
summarize a long article like this. We're not going to read this whole thing. We don't have the time. We're too busy with 10 million agents open in our terminal window. To do that, we're going to use a standard, powerful Claude Opus 5 agent. As we work through this, we're going to constantly improve the system prompt we're passing into Claude code. I have this simple command here called compare. So let's go ahead and fire it off. Inside of a terminal, we're running herder. This is my terminal multiplexer of choice. You'll see exactly why in a second. If I type J, you can see all the commands in this directory. And what I'll do is just type J compare, and we'll start with 0. I now have a brand new workspace open. Let's go and hop into it and see what's going on. You can see here, I'm running two Claude Code instances side by side. On the left, we have smartass Opus 5, and on the right, we have senior Opus 5. Right now, these are both in smartass mode. This is just the default system prompt and the default Claude Opus 5 model with no tweaks, no changes, no prompt engineering to adjust and improve the system. As you can see, all of the ticks and problems and verbosity of this model are coming alive right now. Zuck's blog is very, very long, but you can see here, these models spin for a long time. The one on the left is really, really going off here with a lot of information. Okay, so 53 seconds, 35 seconds. Most of that was just output text. Look at how many output tokens my agent just torched responding to me. Most of us, truly, we're not reading this whole thing, just like we're not reading Zuck's blog. We need concise, compressed information so we can move on or decide to invest more. A lot of engineering with agents is about figuring out where to spend your time. So let's improve the system by prompt engineering the system prompt.
The transitions are great. I like his transitions.
So in VS Code, I have senior Opus 5 system prompt, and this is getting passed directly into that herder pane. You can see here, we have one version that's just Claude Code Opus out of the box, and then we have the other where we're appending the system prompt file using this argument flag. So that's what we're going to do here. And so if we open up this file, right now we have nothing in there. So we just got the default response out of it. Let's improve it. Let's write a great system prompt to steer the behavior of every single run, every single input and every single output from our model. What we're building here is a clear, concise communication document. I am typing this by hand. When I'm working with pieces of autonomous software, that's going to be multiplied over many, many, many runs. I do it by hand. If you don't understand your technology,
that's not vibing though.
If you're just vibe slopping everything, you're not
we gotta keep vibe slopping.
Going to get the results who someone paying attention is going to get. You're going to start really simple here. We're appending this to the system prompt, clear, concise, actionable communication, and then we're going to talk through the purpose. First things first, you and I maintain a no BS, clear, concise, actionable relationship.
Welcome back.
Notice how I'm talking
do you sleep?
my agent. I'm not giving it a role. I'm just talking to my agent as almost if I'm talking to like another engineer, okay? And kind of setting the standards. We maintain a no BS, clear, concise, actionable relationship every week.
Hey, I don't say that to an engineer. I don't say any, guys, when I meet somebody, I don't say this exact thing, guys. That's weird. Actually, no.
We say together reinforces our clear, concise, actionable communication.
You're up since
we're here to solve problems and create value, and our communication reflects that. And then I'm going to start the next section, instructions, and this is going to be where we dial into several ideas. We'll have 4 sections and then one kind of recap section. This will be the examples, and then we'll.
Oh no, he's making this by hand, guys. Making this by hand. Prompt aliases, example distillation. So he's just pretty much modifying his system prompt here. Okay.
We'll work through these sections one by one, but I'm writing this out to be able to reference these sections so that I can clearly communicate inside the system prompt what I want my agent to focus on. Okay, so pay close attention to the details throughout instructions to maintain our great communication patterns. And then I'm going to do something here that I think is...
You should definitely be saying this and not typing this by hand. When will he just let us download it? Yeah, it's true. Fix Opus code base. Here it is, guys. Here it is. Here it is. Fix Opus code base. All right. All right. Okay. 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 What's inside the prompt? Patterns, references, boundaries, aliases. Oh my gosh, she's adding aliases. Add 2 to 3 letter commands. Oh my god. DHH hyping up new Amachi. Wow, save like 10 minutes of watching video. Oh no, I don't like the aliases, guys. He's pretty much saying use RTK. Scope control, no request, unrequested, no co-authors, no completions. Sure. Short codes for findings, decisions, opinion, risk, and questions. Do this and never do this behavior list. Ban phrases that lives here. Then set relationship, no BS, clear, concise, actionable. I guess we could just extract some of this. Smart ass Opus. I mean, let's now here's the repo, guys, in case you want it. Just extract some portions of it that we're adding and not doing. But like we already have a few of these set up already. And the one thing I do not like is aliasing. The model does not like aliases unless you force it using SSG, guys. Unless you force it using SSG. Otherwise, probably not. Moving on. All right, this guy's video is very good. Alex Hormozzi, very good. Let's listen to IBM.
Have you ever played musical chairs? You know the children's game where the kids walk around a row of chairs,
Yes.
and when the music stops, they rush to grab a seat?
Yep.
The problem is there's one less chair than there are children, so
Yep.
someone always gets left out.
Yep.
Well, that's
Take that.
basically what enterprises are doing when they try to have AI that is smart, speedy, and secure. There seem to be only 2 chairs, and yet we want all 3 players to win.
True.
Welcome to the AI security trilemma, a dilemma but with 3 parts instead of 2, where it seems that no matter how hard we try, you can only pick 2 and end up sacrificing the
Skip
third.
the security, who cares?
Let's dissect the conundrum to understand the problem better. First, let's start with the smarts. This is the capability of the model, its ability to do reasoning, to do multi-step planning and think its way through a process, have a greater context so that it has greater understanding, to do problem solving, to have tools that it can use, and to express creativity. Generally speaking, the smarter models will also require other capabilities. For instance, they might need a larger context window.
And his handwriting is so good, guys.
More autonomy. They want more tools and more access to those tools and greater permission levels. And that's where things start to get dangerous, because the smarter an AI agent becomes...
Man, he'd be so good at our drawing game, sketch game.
The more attack surface it creates. Speed is the thing everyone wants from AI. I'm an impatient person, so me especially. What we want is instant response time.
Yep.
Low latency. We want real-time agents that are operating without someone involved, which means autonomous actions. But speed has an important implication: less time for inspection. If every AI interaction has to complete in milliseconds, it becomes very hard to do things like scanning the inputs that are coming into the system, detecting prompt injections, analyzing the outputs that are going out from the system,
always going to be delay.
and then ultimately trying to enforce security policies. So the faster the system gets, the harder it becomes to intervene safely. And finally, security. So this is going to include things like prompt injection defenses so that someone can't take over the context of the system and control it. We're going to validate the outputs that come from the system. We're going to look for data loss prevention so that we're not leaking information from our system to the bad guys. We're going to do policy enforcement and enforce access controls on the tools that we're using to do all of this. But security almost always requires some other capabilities. That is, things like inspection, filtering, guardrails that are going to limit what the system can do, sandboxing, another form of limitations.
We added that.
Logging so that we have observability.
We did. We got logging.
And ultimately, a human in the loop.
So we got human in the loop too.
Some sort of human oversight that is determining if
we got filtering, we got policies.
And all of those things ultimately introduce friction. and friction ultimately slows the system down. The reason this
Not me.
trilemma exists
Not me, guys. You could operate the same way you want, and you'll still have the guardrails. Still have the guardrails.
is something security professionals understand very well. Capability increases attack surface. When an AI system gains ability, each one of those abilities become a new pathway for attack. So for instance, if we start with a model, and then that model needs certain reasoning capabilities and other things that it's going to access, we want to give it a memory so that it can understand context, so that if I ask it another question, I don't have to repeat everything and start from the beginning.
Giving the
It has
videos,
that
giving the
in its
Claude.
memory. We also
Now that you have guardrails, you could get your AI to work the way you want it to. And it won't be doing crazy stuff. And if you do see it do crazy stuff, you just create a guardrail or Sigma shake rule for it.
maybe want to give it internet access, because that way the system can go and get fresh
I
information.
need to solve the
sometimes
possible
almost
embedded
near
malware, brother.
real-time information. And the model
Your operating system could detect that, okay? Most of it. Hell, you can just
Didn't
walk
have-
away and get lunch with guardrails.
have that when it was initially trained. We give it access to tools. We give it access to databases. We give it access to APIs so that it can call out to
You had an
other
experience of it
systems
yesterday?
and
Oh
get
my
services,
gosh.
get new information, make changes to other systems, databases, and things like that. Another set of inputs that might happen for this system would be sensors. So it's going to get input from the real world. Maybe it's looking at certain things or hearing certain things, and that become another way that it can take input into the system. And then the way it interacts with those things out in the real world would be through actuators. So a whole bunch of
Actuators.
capabilities. The more powerful the system becomes, the harder it becomes to secure. And if we try to secure everything perfectly, the system slows down dramatically.
Yep.
So we've
Sure.
got smart, speedy, secure. Pick any two. You don't get all three. Well, let's see what happens if I optimize on two of these. So let's say I start with smart and secure. Well, then that means I'm going to end up with a slow AI. And nobody wants a slow AI, you would think, but actually there are some cases where speed is not the most important factor that we would optimize on.
Skip security.
Let's say we're wanting the system to do some sort of deep level of research into a particular topic. It's not so time sensitive. If it wants to take 20 minutes
just
instead of
want
20
smart and
seconds,
speedy.
as long as we get the deep level of research that we're looking for, that might be okay.
Live
Maybe medical
dangerously.
diagnostics. When it's looking at the x-rays and doing its analysis, we want it to really get it right, not so much get it fast. So there are use cases where that is perfectly okay. How about smart and speedy? Well, then
Ship
we're
AGI
leaving
already.
security out, which means we end up with dangerous AI. Now,
Risk.
dangerous doesn't sound like a good thing to have. Why do we want all this risk? Well, it turns out that there could be, again, some use cases where the risk is low enough that we can tolerate that. And we really do want the smarts and the speed. So in this case, for instance, if
want
all I'm dealing
dangerous?
with is public information that everyone would have access
Claude's
to
already
anyway,
lazy.
well, then I don't need all of the security maybe. Or if the information it has or the processing that it's doing, the output that we're going to take and the decisions we're going to make and the actions we'll take based upon that end up being low risk, well, then it doesn't matter if the AI is a little bit off. An example of this might be a proof of concept, where we're trying to do some level of testing out a system to see what it might be possible, but this is not the production level system. But we just don't want it to take forever to end, to do the job. And then ultimately, the other thing that we could pick two of is we could pick secure and speedy. Well, then what we end up with is a dumb AI. Well, why would you want a dumb AI? We want it to be intelligent,
no.
right? So if we leave the smarts
That's
out,
not-
you would think that wouldn't be useful,
that's
but
not
it turns out
AI.
there are some cases where you don't need the smartest AI in the room. And for instance,
Guys,
if it's
if you add dumb to AI, spells die.
a simple set of operations, simple questions that we're going to be asking of it, then we don't necessarily need a big brain in the sky.
We can't have
Maybe an
that.
example of this might be a home automation AI, where all we're basically asking it to do is turn the lights on and off. So I do want it to be quick, And I don't want everyone in the world to be able to access my lights in my home, so security and speed would be the things
Just
that I
replace
would
that with a
optimize.
script.
So you can see we've got 3 different things that we're trying to optimize on, but we can pretty much pick any 2. So how do we deal with this AI security
How do I
trilemma?
make my own?
One
I don't have
approach
enough
that's gaining
resources.
traction is
I don't want to spend
introducing
money.
an AI security proxy. This is a policy enforcement layer that's added outside of the AI itself. Instead of trusting the model directly to have to do all of these things, we enforce security
Then why don't you do
policy
it?
here.
Why don't you
So
do it?
this layer can inspect the inputs, look for prompt injections and things like that. It can sanitize the outputs if we see that we're leaking sensitive information. It can control tool permissions if the AI wants to go off and use those things, and basically apply security policy across the whole system and do it in a more uniform way. So the model itself can remain smart and fast while the stuff around it is secured, because we're adding security as an extra layer. It doesn't eliminate the trilemma, but it does help balance it. We still have a game of musical chairs, but if we do it right,
Wait.
we can sneak in an extra chair.
What was the solution? I was distracted. What?
How do we deal with this AI security trilemma? One approach that's gaining traction is introducing an AI security proxy.
AI security proxy. Yeah. I have that. Oh, it works now. Let's go. Yeah, AI mastery. Welcome back. AI, welcome back, man.
This is a policy enforcement layer that's added
Don't know what happened
outside of the AI itself. Instead of trusting the model directly to have to do
Wait, are you a mod in here? Let me check.
all of these things, we enforce security policy here.
The proxy
so this
layer
can inspect the inputs, look for prompt injections and things like that. It can sanitize the outputs if we see that we're leaking sensitive information. It can control tool permissions if the AI wants to go off and use those things, and basically apply security policy across the whole system and do it in a more uniform way. So the model itself can remain smart and fast while the stuff around it is secured.
Got it. We got it. We got it now. All right.
Today is a not so special day, but it is a day that I was born. And
this
I'll
guy,
read some stuff to piss some people.
This guy was a what do you call it? A Viking. This guy's a Viking, a living, walking Viking.
People off in the comments.
Just to get watching this live.
How's that sound? Don't say I never did anything for you. Then I'll chat about some stuff that I think might be a perfect segue for today. Is that cool? And then we'll do some quick Q&As.
Cool.
And this is all part, for those of you who are joining in, of my 30 for 30. You know, as in I'm going to try and do live for 30 days-ish.
Sounds cool.
And so yeah, let's begin with the tweet that has pissed everyone off. Your level of maturity is inversely correlated with how much you want other people to celebrate your birthday. I've never admired anyone who insisted his birthday was a big deal. And I want to be really clear. I think celebrating other people's birthdays, absolutely. Honoring people for being alive, for making this far, all for it. I think the difference is when you demand everyone do it for you.
Yeah,
I think that's where you get the this is my birth week, this is my birth month, all that kind of stuff.
He's just vlogging right now. He's just vlogging.
I think that is the wrong direction on entitlement. My 2 cents. Obviously, you know, it's all it's worth, and you can take it for what it is. But on this not so special day, one of my team texted me this thing, which is my favorite text of the day. And he said, "Today is the day Genghis Khan died, and you were born." Quote from the Khan: "There is no good in anything until it is finished." And I love that.
I just want to believe him.
Yeah. It's all about starting what you finish. And so I'll read this to you because I've had a lot of deeper thoughts on my mind lately, as I think when you hit whatever deadlines you have. Stand tall, don't crack, endure, you can die tomorrow.
True.
Today you do the only thing you can do. You fight, you rage on, you do what you came to do. You finish what you started. No matter how much it costs, how long it takes, or how much it hurts, because you said you would. Being cringe is the tax you pay when you start to prove to the world that you care more about what you want than how you look. One of the things that no one tells you about delayed gratification is that once you learn how to do it, you keep doing it until you die. And then what you delayed never happens. Your goals will become easier to accomplish when you become harder to distract. Whenever you get worried about not achieving your goals, just remember there's plenty of room at the top because the majority of people are just whiny, overweight, in debt little bitches. You'll blow past them so fast it'll look like they're standing still, because they are. Be more dangerous than the forces that hope to destroy you. Make reality your bitch today.
Damn.
If you do not have courage, nothing else matters. So with that being said, as our premise for today, as we get cracking and lacking, I thought I would, I had this little video that I put some notes together for you that I think you might like. I think the goal of youth is optionality, and the goal of adulthood is commitment. And these two things are at odds. And I think that at some point, you have to reconcile which one you are. Are you still stuck to your youth, or have you decided to become an adult? An adult means you eliminate alternatives. You walk through one-way doors where you know you can't walk back. It's difficult to undo a marriage. It's difficult to impossible, possible but not really, to undo a child, right? There are some one-way doors, and I think that a lot of the best things in life come on the other side of commitments. And I think that we have a society that overemphasizes the value of optionality. And the reason that I said what I said earlier, which is that if you delay gratification, optionality in a lot of ways is delaying gratification. It's this idea that I'll keep my options open. But the thing is that options only have value when they are exercised. And until you exercise them, they are valueless. It's like dying at the end of your life as an ant that put a big pile of crumbs that you never ate.
That's true.
Right, at some point you have to pull the trigger, you have to make the call, you have to make the decision, you have to cut off one future. And so I think what's interesting is that when you make that decision, it means that you're going to decide that one thing is more important than another, which means that you also open yourself up for criticism, which I think a lot of people have a lot of difficulty with. And so I want to give you 10 priorities, which make no sense at all, because priority only recently in the English vernacular was ever even used in the plural. Until about 1950, it was only priority. There's only one, because only one thing can come first. Right? That's how it works. But here's our 10 things that most people say are incredibly important. And so how do we make sense of them? So number one, we have community, giving back to your community. We have romance, marriage, your partner. We have parenting for your children. We have family, so to your siblings and to your parents and your cousins, etc. We have recreation, so having fun, relaxing. We have friends, spending time, etc. We have your career aspirations, professional aspirations. Your physical health, you have your spiritual health, and then you've got your personal growth. And so that's 10 different elements of life. And if I were to ask you to prioritize them, you will have a different priority than the person next to you. And so the reason this is really interesting is that if somebody looks at your list and it is different than theirs, they will call yours wrong, because you do not live your life the way that they would prefer. And that is why they're fucking retarded, all right? Like, we don't have to live according to anyone else's preferences. You have to follow the law, but besides that, you're pretty much free to do whatever you want. And we are so shackled by the idea that other people don't like what we're doing. It's like, great, that's why they have their life to do what they want to do with. And so what's interesting is that you get to pick your regrets, or they will be chosen for you.
Your download desktop is an hour long?
And so whenever you invest in any of those 10 things, you pull away from others, right? If you add an hour here, you take an hour from here. We have a zero-sum life when it comes to time, right? And I do have one interesting tactical strategy that has helped me navigate these, but I think the biggest one is just in understanding that you will live an imperfect life, period. Like, you cannot have a house by the mountains in isolation and then also be walking to restaurants and then also be on the beach and also be ski in, ski out. It doesn't work. And you can't have a rich neighborhood if you want to be in isolation. Now, all of these things are okay to want.
Go to the library.
It's just that they will not. They literally sit in it. They're conflicting. They're conflicting priorities. And so, whenever you say and you make a decision in your life, people will take the equal opposite extreme. So if it's literally the upset spouse, right?
I can't complain. I can't complain.
Do you look good in this dress? You say, yeah, you look great in this dress. You're like, oh, so I don't look good whenever I'm not wearing this dress? That is what people will do to whatever decisions you make, because they're too cowardly to make them themselves. And I really mean this. Like, people are fucking cowards. They walk around afraid. They don't want consequences. They don't want conflict, because they think that other people's opinions about their lives matter more than their own. And it's ridiculous. You must make trades. You have to make a trade. And I love the definition of the word decadere, because it's Latin, but the root of it means to cut off. And And it's just what future are we cutting off today? And I think that is, and I think as I'm, you know, I'm at an annual little date for myself, and so I look back on the last year. And I think that your maturity level is directly related to the amount of commitments that you have made, the number of people who rely on you. And if those commitments are the elimination alternative, it means that you've cashed in optionality, right? You've chosen to do things in lieu of others. And so even if you were to divide your life into 12 hours per day, so let's assume that you've got 4 hours for eating, showering, you know, hygiene, all this, you know, living, right? And let's say 12 hours is the hours that you can just be focused, right, on anything. If you were to divide those, we've got those 10 things that I outlined. If you were to give an hour and, you know, 10 minutes per day to each of those things, it's like, okay, you're gonna do an hour and 10 minutes to your career, an hour and 10 minutes to your spirituality, an hour to 10 minutes to your family, an hour and 10 minutes to your kids, an hour and 10 minutes to your relaxation time, an hour and 10 minutes to your physical health. Like, you go through it and it's just like, I can't do it all. It's like, right, you have to make fucking trades. It's what it is. And so I'll just say, as somebody who has, I would say, min-maxed to a degree on some of those traits, really helpful to just order them for yourself. Which of these is most important for you? And this is the one tactical tip I've got. This is it. This is my one tactical tip. Try to do things that check multiple boxes. So, for example, the reason that lifting with friends is so valuable to me is that I lift with people I work with who I'm also friends with. And so it checks off recreation, it checks off a degree of career growth, it checks off physical health. And so I get 3 or 4 boxes checked from this one activity. And so I'm able to block more time with it. And there's probably some version of that for you that you can do for 2 or 3 things. And I'm not saying you're gonna get it for everything, but every once in a while you can get lucky and you can check a few boxes with one action, right? No extra time. And so I think that's a big W. Now, I think that you will do the best that you can to manage these things. And at the end of your life, you will think to yourself, it would have been nice to do these other things. But when you say that, you do that from the position of having already earned the benefit of your existing trade. And so what we want is the benefits of the trades that we did not make and the benefits of the ones that we did. And so we look at the benefits of a different priority being first, and then saying, man, it would be nice if I was also hyper spiritual. It would also be nice if I was in the best shape. It would also be nice if I had the best marriage. It would also be nice if I was a great parent. It would also be nice, et cetera, et cetera. But you can't trade everything in. And so basically, like, you get to pick your regrets. You get to pick the things that you say were less important. Otherwise, they will be chosen for you. And I think what's really interesting is whenever I think this to its natural end, I think to myself, I am the problem. So let me explain. I think we always want what we can't have. And I think this is an inherently human trait, right? Single people want to be married. Married people want, to be single. People with no kids want kids. People who have kids want a night off. Employees want to start their own business someday. Employers are jealous of how their employees can clock out and not take their work home with them. There's just countless examples of whatever you don't have is what you want. Because right now, everyone who's listening to this, you have accomplished things that you said would make you happy. Like, there's something in your life right now that earlier on in your life you said, if I had this, I would be happy. And yet here we are. And so whenever I think this, I just think like, I am the problem. Like, I am the constant. Like, the constant source of dissatisfaction is me. And it's just because we want it all. But you go to a store where there's 10 amazing shoes and each shoe is $100 and you have $100 in your wallet.
Okay.
And in order to justify our decision, we make everyone else feel bad about buying a different set of shoes than us. When it was just a choice. And I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Because a lot of people, I think, look at, the life that we have, which I think is, super blessed, et cetera. But we've traded other things. We've traded other things. And I think that if those things are more important to you, then, like, good for you. To the degree that you can possibly believe a stranger on the internet, I mean this from the bottom of my heart. If you like the priorities that you have, then fuck, you won, dude. You won. You won. You've already got it. Like, like you're there. I I think where people get in trouble is where they allow life to make those priorities for them, right? They don't get to make the choices. They sit passively by and let options expire. And I think that's, if there's anything that I could hopefully, you know, transfer, it's you can be your master of your own life to a degree if you can just say, I'm willing to give up these other things for the things that I care about most. And so that's my 2 cents is take those 10 things, rank them 1 to 10, and then of those, see which one you think is off. As in like, okay, I said this is number 2, but I don't think I'm really putting number 2 out of 10 effort into this. And I'll tell you 2 for me. I think that I've been not as good of a husband as I probably should have been. I probably should have spent more time with Layla, and I'm going to prioritize doing that, and I've started to do that. And I think that I have a higher desire for friendship than I have in my current life. Like I see friends sporadically. I would say outside of me like lifting, which is basically almost the entirety of the recreational like friend time that I have. I had a buddy of mine who was here for my birthday, which was awesome, that Layla kind of surprised me with, which was super sweet of her.
Nice.
And those are very like filling to my soul. And I think that I'm going to make trades in the coming future where I'm going to decrease some of these other stats in order to make some room here where I think that the incremental return that I'll get on losing an hour on, call it career, and adding an hour somewhere else, I will have a little bit less, but my overall life benefit will be higher. And so I think the meta of this is the game that you want to play. And so I'll give you an interesting story on this. So I can't remember the name of the founder, but he was on David Senra's podcast. And really smart guy, sold his company for like $10 billion, something like that. And he said, you always want to look for the most dominant game. And I was like, that's a really interesting concept. And he said, so for example, MySpace lost to Facebook because Facebook had a more dominant game that they were playing. And so MySpace, for example, wanted to get the most users. That was the game they were playing. That was the metric they were optimizing around. Facebook was optimizing around monthly active users, MAU, which then became kind of like the social media norm in terms of what social platforms are measured by. But that one little misstep in terms of what metric they were optimizing around meant that Facebook was literally playing a superior game. And so in thinking about this concept of like there are subset, superset games. There are some games that even if you were just playing them, you beat everyone else because the game that you're optimizing for is just a superior game. And so I think that, I think this is entirely individual, but if we look at those 10 categories that I outlined, so I'll repeat them again for those of you who are just joining. Let's see if I can get my little list up. So the list is this: you've got community, you've got romance/partner, parenting for your kids, you've got your family, so siblings and your parents, you've got recreation and rest and fun, friends, career, physical health, spiritual, and then personal growth, right? Those are kind of like 10 categories of living. And I think that some people make their entire game one of them. And I think the larger game is trying to win at life and realizing that each of these are components of it. And I don't know if, and I think that you will have different, and when I say this prioritization thing, people also have a hard time allowing other people to change because it just makes them, it's just intellectually more work. And so it's like, how dare you change your mind in front of me? How dare you, right? How dare you be really into your physical health and then decide that your kids are more important and so you don't work out as much, right? How dare you? And so I think that like people get upset because they're weak. Like people are pats, like people
Weak.
People are so small-minded, self-interested, and the things they will say in no way have complete context on your life. And so it's like trying to listen to 100 people that know 2 sentences about you. None of their opinions matter. Because the person who has the most context on you is you. You're the only one who has to live with you.
True.
And I know obviously it's hard because when we're kids, we're raised to listen to other people, and shame has a very good place in society. You should feel bad if you do things that hurt people, and like those things work for enforcing social rules. So It's this very odd, dichotomy between, it's good to have other people on the outside telling you, hey, maybe you shouldn't be a fuck ass. But at the same time, being able to differentiate between, call it, law-breaking activity and rule-breaking activity, which I see is very different. So we have legal laws, right, that have written out consequences that we have determined, like it or not, that you have to abide by to live in whatever area you're in, right? But then there's rule breaking that's spoken and unspoken. And so many of you get different cultures, different rules, your parents have different rules. And it's realizing that there are no consequences, or the consequences that happen from those rules are not nearly as severe as we think they are. And so the reason that I opened the book with offers with only 3 words, which is there are no rules. I guess that's 4 words.
There are no rules, guys.
Is because it's always a reminder to myself of like, what rules am I being weighed down by right now that I'm choosing, like what box am I living in that I'm unaware of, that has invisible walls that is keeping me in. And so with that, I think we can, let me get my team. Let's do some Q's and A's. I'm down to do a little bit more life stuff today because that's the mood that I'm in. And so if you have, I mean, it can be business. Business is life. That works too. Whatever you guys need, I'm here. So let's do this. All right, I'm gonna read this one. All right, so my name is Brian. My family owns an aerospace parts manufacturing company. We did 30 million in revenue last year, and I want to grow it to 100. I'm stuck in the middle of a family conflict. My parents co-own the business and wants to sell it. They own 51%, so they control the decision, while the other wants to keep it and grow. Okay. I grew up being told to never join the family business because of how much stress it puts on the relationship, but I joined anyway. Now, one parent won't teach me their side of operations, so if they left, I wouldn't know how to run that part of the company. How do I convince my parents to keep the business and let me help scale it instead of selling it out from under me? You ask an interesting question, because I honestly don't think it's your choice. So I'll give you 2 different answers to this. I think from a moral perspective, I think your parents have earned the right to do whatever the fuck they want with their business. Can you imagine, like for a second, just play this out for a moment. Imagine, acquisition.com, we're 30 years in the future, right? We're doing a gazillion dollars. And, the kid that I have is like, how do I convince my dad to not sell the business?
I'm dead.
Bro, this isn't your fucking call. Like, this is, you've lived a great life. This is not your call.
From Japan.
My 2 cents. Now, the self-serving side, I will answer this way, which is, I think, defining what we want to have happen. And then I like to ask the question, what would it take? And so if I want something from somebody who doesn't want to give it to me, I ask the question, what would it take? And then they get to name their price. And then that price can be worth it for me or not. And I think oftentimes when you ask, what would it take? People assume you are unwilling to pay a price that they have not named. And I cannot tell you the amount of times I've gotten things in life that most people considered unreasonable because they determined a price that they thought was unreasonable, but they were selling it out of their own wallet. Their own wallet of time, their own wallet of money, their own wallet of trade-offs, their own wallet of embarrassment, of shame, of guilt, of whatever price they thought that I was unwilling to pay to get the thing that I wanted. And so I would really start with the question of, what do I want to have happen? Number 2, what would it take? And then number 3, I would ask them what they want. Now, I'll give you like a layer underneath of this for your parents, which is that no one sells a company because they want to sell a company. Selling a company is incredibly painful. It's a very long process. There's lots of lawyers. It's not that fun. They're selling the company because of what they believe the benefit of selling the company is. And so the idea would be, how can I help you get what you want without selling the company? And there's a lot of different structures that you can do where you could buy it from them. You can get a lender. You could do an ESOP. If they want a liquidity event, maybe they just want their time back. Like, there's a lot of other levers that you can use to help them get what they want. And I think that's pretty cool. And so on one angle, from a moral side, I think it's their call. On the, like, if you want to get what you want side, then I would go at it from, like, what do you want to have happen? And I know what I want to have happen. They want this to happen. Great. Can I get that in any other way besides you selling the company? The answer is yes. I can almost guarantee you at the size that you're at. And then underneath of that, like, what would it take for me to get what I want? Just tell me the price, and then I'll decide if it's worth it or not. All right, Brandon. What would it take for you to feel 10 out of 10 on all priorities? I don't think, so actually, I'll answer the question in reality. I think that you can feel 10 out of 10 on the priorities if you know that they're not all priorities. Because when I made my list, 8 out of the 10 I felt like I had appropriately checked boxes for. And, you know, to a degree, so I'll give you a simple example. Community is one, and business is one for me. But the actual thing, like when I do content like this, I think it helps more than one person. It helps a community. And to be fair, it's just a digital community. It's a community of entrepreneurs. But I can't go to the corner and be like, put a sign up that says, hey, entrepreneurs. We can do that on the internet. And so I help my people, which matters a lot to me. But it also has a business benefit. And so it's like you can check multiple boxes. Who decided to join us?
I want to see what you're doing.
Yeah, I'm just hanging. We're just chilling.
Shirtless.
Shirtless, yeah. This is
Fans.
only Alex coming to. I got feet pics coming soon. Please subscribe and.
Why is your phone vertical?
Yeah, we tried to. It's a long story. I jump started like two of these and it didn't work, and so I was like, fuck it, whatever.
Man, amateur hour. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know. Whatever. Okay.
What's your topic today?
Life stuff. I actually just opened it up. We're going wide today. That was the mood I was in. All right.
Boom. Yo.
Cabo Sharia.
You go to Dogecoin,
asks, I am confused in my life. I am
police,
average.
what? Looking out. Checkmate you?
I
Ain't no
think we
way.
should pick the thing that matters
Oh
most
my
to you,
gosh.
and then be willing to
Turtle,
sacrifice
just
other
turtle
things
and
that matter
hide.
less.
Turtle and
And I
hide.
think when a lot of people are average, it's
That's the
because they
strat.
try to do all 10 things at once, and then in so doing, they never really accomplish any of the ones that really mattered most. And so I doubt that if I name those 10 priorities that I said earlier, all 10 are equal in value to you. I seriously doubt that. And so if all 10 are not of equal value, but you
Oh,
are
learn
giving them equal
Korean?
attention,
Did I forget my
then
Korean?
you have a less optimized life for
Oh
you.
god.
For you, not for anyone. For
Jerk? Kiyosaki?
you.
Shiba?
Okay.
Which one is it?
Okay. This is the
Kiyosaki?
next one.
Did you ever have
Gotta
a
play
hard
rent?
time?
Man, paying rent with DoorDash? Man, I told you the strat. We made a whole video on it. Actually, we didn't make a whole video on it. We gotta stitch that video all together again.
Leaving friends behind.
I'll come next to you. Okay.
I'm too big for you to be too close to me.
Well, we're going vertical. We're going vertical. Here we go.
Maybe we need to make out to make it close enough.
That would be not the right thing to do on here. What did you say?
Did you have a hard time leaving friends behind?
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Is the baby gonna be as hairy as Alex? Fuck you.
Wait, is that one of the just?
No,
oh, is that one of the
somebody
strikes?
on
It's like
here.
what?
Asshole.
Probably.
We're Persian.
Yeah.
What do
We
you
have.
expect?
We have. Yeah, it's gonna be
Well,
hairy
I've
as
lasered
fuck.
my body, so.
Yeah.
Poor child.
It's gonna come out naturally with back hair. It'll be great.
Probably.
Sorry, what was it? Okay, the question was, do you have a hard time leaving friends behind?
Yeah.
Yeah. I would say that honestly, I felt really betrayed by a lot of friends throughout my life, and when I say betrayed, it was like I think it was just like I thought that they were on my team, and I think that's why I've spoken so much
True.
about this publicly, which is that I realized that the vast majority of people want you to do well, just not better than them, and that's really tough to hear.
True.
And I'm fortunate that I have a handful of friends in my life now who actually have known for the majority of my life and who have been fans. And I say that in a formal way, just like they've wanted, they've just, every time I won, they were just like, hell yeah, man. And they just didn't see it as competitive because they didn't see the world as a zero-sum game or comparative in terms of status. And so, what about you?
Did I have a hard time leaving friends behind? Not back in the day. I want to say like in my 20s I didn't have a hard time. I would say now I would probably have a hard time because I think I see different
I
value
messed
to
up.
friends. Like I used to think that I could only have
I
friends who
messed
were as
up.
ambitious or successful as me. And then I realized there's a lot of different
messed
measures
up.
of like what adds value to a friendship. Like I would say like support emotionally, cheering you on, funny, someone you can relax with, decompress with. So like I have way more variety of like what I consider to be acceptable for friends. But I will say like I don't think I've had a hard time cutting off somebody that I felt like didn't root for me. That is not hard for me.
Yeah, so I'll answer it in the most specific way possible. It has not been hard for me to do it. I've just been heartbroken when I had to.
That's a good way to put it.
Yeah, like the decision was made, but I just felt bad. Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you for all the great advice and value of the community.
Oh, it's the birthday.
Thanks.
It's your birthday.
Daniel Noosh. How do I define luck? probability of a good thing that happens to you.
What?
And if it does happen to you and it's a low percentage, it's good luck. And how do you overcome luck, by the way, everyone? Ladies and gentlemen, you roll the dice a shitload of times. That is how you do it. If you roll a 20-sided dice and you get 20 on your first roll, you are lucky. If you
20?
roll it 100 times and you get a 20 once,
Okay.
people might call you unlucky because it took you that many times. But the world only cares that you rolled a 20. Real. Like, if you only need to get one really good thing to happen, you can try a shitload of times because you have unlimited shots. Like, you literally just need air, water, and food in order to take more shots. And I think for some reason that people have this idea that it somehow costs more to try. What have you learned about the difference between exerting your will on life and allowing life to reveal where you should go? I feel like it's a good Layla question.
Uh-oh.
Because you don't know what to say, or because
No, I thought you've
Really?
told this.
Why?
You said this whole year was about, like, you know, acceptance and like things that were out of your
Oh.
control.
well,
You got pregnant this year. I don't know if you remember that. That was a big deal.
yeah. I think that what I think that has taught me the last 2-3 years has taught me is that you can exert your will all you want,
Oh,
but I think
draw.
that there's an illusion of control that we create,
Draw.
but I don't think that we have as much control as we wish that we had. And dealing with like all the health issues I had 2 years ago, and now getting pregnant, which was a surprise. My whole life had to change because of both of those things.
How did it happen?
The stork came. There's a stork that comes and gives an egg. Jesus Christ.
I touched your hair. Oh, there's another one. All right.
I think what it means is like things are going to happen that are outside of your control and outside of your discipline or willpower. And it's a matter of recognizing when that has happened. It's like the serenity prayer. It's like that I relate to so much, which is like, I think if you apply that to life, then...
Some people might not know what the serenity prayer is.
I know, I was just like, am I gonna mess it up?
Go for it.
Yeah,
Well, you went to Al-Anon. Did they do it there?
yeah.
What is it?
Oh my God, hold on.
The wisdom to know the difference.
What?
The courage to change the
Oh
things that
my
we can't.
gosh, I messed up.
We wish for the courage to change the things we can,
Yeah. Patience.
the something to accept the things we can't, and the wisdom to know the difference.
There you go. Okay, how do you take care of your wife / protector? Those seems like two different things, but I mean, I think you just ask. Pretty simple on that one. I'm like, what do you need?
Protect, provide.
Yeah. I don't know. I thought that was a pretty easy one. Swiggy Swoozy.
Oops.
What are your hobbies? What do you enjoy doing? Has to be not work related. Yeah, I lift. Big on working out. I've enjoyed doing that for a long time. I also enjoy hanging out by the pool. Here we are. I do that. I like nice views. So I'd say views and fitness are probably the two things that I do for fun that are not work related. Besides that, I love a good
Living it?
television
Still
show.
alive?
Get one in that we like.
We hang out a lot.
Yeah, Layla and I hang out a lot. We do a lot of walks. We walk a lot. I'd say if I'm like 85 years old looking back on our marriage, like what I will remember is our walks.
Yeah, that's true.
That's like I feel like our marriage has been
We
just
just
one.
like find places to walk.
It's just been one long walk. Because I think that's where at least I feel like we have our best conversations is walking. Some people are like it's, you know, conversations you're driving or conversation when you're walking. I would say like there's the two times when Layla and I get our best conversations in because it's like you have just enough focus that you're, you know, there's no distractions. You're not on your phone, and there's no one around, and you just get to be present with each other. And I feel like Layla and I can like walk forever because we walk for hours and hours and hours. And that's Layla's contribution to making sure that I live long. Or that is the hope. How do we find a Layla?
I didn't find you.
You found me?
Yeah, I guess I found you.
That's right. That's right. Be
'Cause didn't I have to-
findable.
Didn't I have to message you first?
You did. You did.
I messaged you on Bumble.
So you gotta have inbounds. I'm telling you guys. You gotta go inbound. You
I
don't.
didn't want to be on Tinder. I thought it was really... This is like, 10 years ago. But
Yeah.
Tinder was nasty. Bumble was like the upscale dating app because
I think things have
Tinder, I would
changed.
open it up, I know. But Tinder, it used to be like you open up, it's just dicks. What? That was it. It was just like messages. I'm like, I don't know if you think that girls like this, but they don't. And then Bumble, the girl has to message the guy first in order to allow him to message her.
And then dicks.
And we would not be sitting here.
No, I'll get the. I think the reality is that like most people don't try very hard at anything. And if we think of the relationship that has the highest correlation with your subjective well-being, there's a 0.71 correlation to the quality of the relationship you have with your significant other and your self-determined subjective well-being, meaning how happy you are has a 71% correlation with how much you like your spouse. That's what that means. And so you think about all the shit that you have in your life. You've got one thing that's got a 0.71 correlation with it.
You got me.
Like probably worth going on more than 5 fucking dates. And so I think one of the things I admire about Layla is that she was like committed to doing 1 first date a week of just like, I'm going to, you know, go have froyo or go have coffee or whatever the thing is. So, and she just was like, yep, not the guy for me. I'll go to the next date, you know, and just was like, so militant about that. And that's how she got, like, volume negates luck. Like, you have to talk to more people. Like, think about, like, imagine for a moment that you have one hire and you have to stick with them for the rest of your business as your partner. Like, are you gonna interview 5 people and just pick one? But like, that's how most people are living their romance lives. It's like, okay, I went on 3 dates. It's like, dude, just go out there. And of course, there's like, guys are getting shot down and it's harder than ever. It's like, okay, well, you know, it's both sides there. Like, get in shape, you know, be gainfully employed, don't smell bad, and then take a lot of shots.
Yeah.
Like, you can wish the world were different or say that it's not fair, and you know what? You're probably right. It also doesn't really matter. Not for you. The world's not going to change for you. So it's like, this is the game we play. And like, you can hate the rules, but it's not going to change the game. Thanks. You really, like keeping the energy high here. You mentioned
post-lunch insulin drop.
Jesus,
you know what I
here
mean?
we go.
The baby's
right.
taking my energy.
Sapping the life from you. That's right. He's being strong. That's right. Keep going, buddy. Suck the life out. All right. You've mentioned your goals are what matter more than anything else in the world when defining love. How do you figure out your goals? How do you know those are your true goals? I don't think you're going to know what your quote true goals are, because it means you have to have like some objective. Like, how would you find out? Like, one of the sayings that I like a lot is that there's many ways up the mountain. It's another way of saying there's a lot of ways to skin a cat, which is if you look at a mountain and there's 3 or 4 paths up the mountain and they all get you there, is any path more correct than another? One might be faster, one might have more rocks, but all the paths might get you to the top of the mountain. And if that's the case, then like, were you wrong by taking one path? And so if you have 2 or 3 versions of your life, the likelihood is that you probably would be okay with most of them. And so we delay these decisions. Like, people sit at the bottom of the mountain never taking a first step because they think that they have to pick the correct path when all of them will still take them there. And delaying it is what's actually preventing you from hitting your goals more than picking the right path.
I think it's also...
That was pretty good. That sounded nice.
The last line.
Yeah, the whole thing.
It was zingy.
It was zingy.
Just
It was a
thinking
little
about
zingy.
it. Well, it was like, how do you figure out your goals and know they're your true goals? It's like,
What's a true goal?
what is it? Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It's like, how do you even know what a true goal is? It's like a goal that's in line with your values, a goal that is in line with the life you want to live. Like, I think it's difficult to. I think sometimes we have too much introspection.
Yeah.
And you just have to go out and try stuff. I mean, that's what chapter 3.
Yo,
of the book-
posted something on
you don't
topic.
learn by
Thing I
watching, you
learned.
don't learn by reading,
this
you learn by
game.
attempting. So it's like, you're not gonna even know if they're your true goals unless you go after it relentlessly.
Like, how do I know I want something? Well, do you want it?
Yeah.
Okay. One of my favorite, so on the backs of boats, they name these boats like weird names. And come close.
So, got a streak? 100 stream streak?
On the
Oh,
back of
guys.
boats, there's these little.
Guys, let's congratulate Niso on the 100 stream streak. That's crazy. Let me see that. It's been 100 days streaming streak? That's crazy. Oh man, Niso. How should we celebrate? How should we celebrate 100 days? How should we celebrate? 100 days streaming? What does it show? Damn, that's wild. Yeah, that is wild. 100 days. 100 days. I think we should appreciate. Man, that's crazy. Let's play it.
You're going to love this. Trust me, what you're seeing now.
Party. Oh. All right, my legs are gonna be jello. Oh, that's me, that's me. I'll be back, guys. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Hello? Hello? Okay. Let's, Chillax had to go somewhere and then come back. Out of breath, and then stuff happens. All right, let's celebrate. Niso, Niso, does your mic work? Does your mic work, Niso? I'll talk with you in the general chat. If your mic works. Does your mic work? Oh, thanks again. I wonder why I did that for one gifted sub. But usually, actually it does it for both, doesn't it? Oh no, it does it for both. The threshold is 1. I gotta change that. I gotta change that. Out of breath, as always, from that exercise. Let me adjust something. While we're listening to this. Sensitivity higher. Just a little bit higher. Alright. Okay, we were watching this. I wanted to talk to Niso if they were available. Let me know if you're available. And it's... I haven't done that in a while. I'm out of breath. Definitely out of breath for that one. I guess if Niso is not there, I'll just continue, huh? I'll just continue. Pop in when you're ready.
Little sayings that they named the boat, and one of my favorite ones ever was never analyze your pleasures. And I just love that because it was just like, you want what you want.
Whoops.
Like, what's the point in like saying like, oh, why do I like vanilla more than chocolate? Who cares? And how would you know? You like what you like. Okay, how do you overcome a trade-off in priorities that you made in the past and regret now? I think you just start fixing it now.
Mike.
Like
So if it was you talking to me, I was dry for a sec.
Change. And so there's
Oh,
going
still
to
no
be a
mic.
moment.
Still no mic? Okay. Later then. Later. There's always another time. No rush. We can always go over the growth. What happened we did for the 100 days. 100 days.
Where your life is in conflict or where you feel this disconnect with how you're living and how you want to live.
Were you also doing push-ups?
At the point that you made the decision, that disconnect wasn't there. It was fine. And then at some point, it switches. And so, for example, Layla's going to be working less now that we have a son on the way. And I will also be working less. And do I regret working more earlier? Not really. Things change. Now, if I kept doing that, then I'd probably feel like I was, disconnected or whatever.
Yeah, I think it's difficult to say, like, also, how do you overcome a trade-off you've made in the past? It's like, well, you're here, so you have overcome it. Like, it's just, I think it's more of a question of, like, saying, I feel guilty.
Don't beat yourself up.
Yeah, it's like you're beating yourself up, which when you beat yourself up, you steal all the energy from yourself to move forward into the new thing.
It's okay.
So you're actually just, hurting yourself
Don't
twice
worry
in that
about
situation.
it. There's always the
How
phone.
many years did it take you to develop the skill of
Usually a
confronting
phone
the hard
works, right?
task, especially when you're confronting the hard task and the more unknown?
Usually phone works too. Right? The phone always has to work. Allergic to phones. Oh, okay, got it. Well, that's a first for everything. Oh no, what happened? 3444. How did it freeze? Did I run out of internet? That's weird. Appreciate y'all. Yeah, appreciate y'all. Oh god. can't be bitter. Oh my gosh. What happened? What happened, guys? I should get kitty earphones. Oh. Man, what happened there?
Yeah, it's like you're beating yourself
That's
up,
weird.
which when you beat yourself up, you steal all the energy from yourself to move forward into the new thing. So you're actually just,
Oh my gosh, it's like delayed.
you know, hurting yourself twice in that situation.
How many years did it take you to develop the skill of confronting the hard task, especially when you're confronting the hard task and the more unknown unknowns pop up?
I do not think that takes years. I think that takes days.
Yeah, or seconds.
People really, like, if you study anything about behavior change,
2%.
people really, really overestimate how long it takes to
There's
change.
so much gaps
What it
in
is
platform.
that the fear, the anticipatory fear or anxiety you have of the hard task or of the change that you want to make, it is an illusion, and it creates this illusion that the change that you're going to make is.
I don't know, man. I can't take any advice from this person. Like, she didn't work the way Alex did, you know. So it's hard to listen. Hard to listen. Gotta move on from this one. Whew. I don't know what's happening with YouTube nowadays, guys. Something happened. I don't know what it is. Oh, the playback. Now she's actually kind of legit, though. Oh, okay. Okay. I don't know, man. I see what she did. She just said she lasered herself or something. And I was like, man, who... I don't know, man. I don't know. The people that laser themselves, I question the choices, but I get the choices. You gotta stay beautifully forever. She's the CEO of their company. Oh, okay. So she's definitely on the boat.
I want to watch this video by
She's
Max
definitely on the boat.
Fisher.
Okay.
So he had
All right, let's finish it then. Let's finish it. Let's finish it. Brutally honest advice. Man, what's going on? Something's going on. Thing with tests. Running tests. The tests. What's going on? It's running something locally. It's breaking.
Days.
Yeah, or seconds.
People
No,
really,
Big A.
like, if you study anything.
Yes, Big A. No, Big H. Okay, let's go back to Big A. Jesus. Make up your mind, man. I give you the opportunity and then you're just like, no. I gave you the opportunity. I gave you the opportunity and you're just like, okay. Okay, there's something wrong with my audio drivers. Big A. Maybe it's what happened with my sound thing when it controlled my sound. Did something happen when I was gone? Let's see. It should play. Let's make more room here. Oh, it's quiet. It's quiet. It should actually, usually when something like this happens, something's messed up, guys. Wait, let me stop my virtual camera that's running. Let's stop that. Let's exit out Discord.
Video by Max Fisher. So he had a video that
Quit
came out
this really
earlier
quick.
about China that went kind of viral.
Okay.
But there's a new one that came out today. So he had this one called China Quietly Saved the World last month.
Okay.
And it was basically about how China has cut
Make a
oil
Suno
imports,
song and there
in
aren't.
response to the Iran war, which is
Who's on her?
to maintain
Who said
oil
that?
prices from going absolutely crazy. Temporarily, you know? The problem is China's reserves are private. You can't see what they have. And we're draining
where?
all our reserves. So I wouldn't say the
Did I
world
miss
is
a message?
saved, but they saved the world last month. But what I've learned about China, let's see.
There is one country that if you are interested in the world or really interested in any topic at all, comes up over and over again.
China.
China.
Okay, we were on this wave. I'm telling you, when I started Was Up Beijing in like 2021 or 2.
Yeah.
The country of the 2020s is China. In terms of not like pure up and to the right guaranteed, more of like, it is just the story. China's decisions are having world ramifications. It's just important. It's the country to watch this decade because they are finally throwing some muscle around. Jump in.
Amir Ali asks, does China actually want to replace the United States as number one, or does it just want the US to get out of its neighborhood? This is a, I think, maybe surprisingly simple answer, which is no. They absolutely do not want to replace the United States in the number one spot in the world.
What is this guy's qualifications for making this so? I'm not saying it's like their ultimate driving goal, but by mere act of wanting to grow lines up into the right, you are in essence wanting to be number one. What does that mean?
The thing is they understand that the United States as number one plays this role as the guarantor of global free trade and prosperity and upholding the wealth and the size of the middle class of the Western world and the developed and democratic world. And China knows that they need that and rely on that because their economy is built on exporting stuff to not just those countries, but mainly those countries. It's built on relying on that free trade.
What does he mean by number one then? This is a terrible start to this video. because let me just tell you, I'm gonna be fucking purely honest here. China would like to be number one in like a million different things. They want to be number one in patents. They want to be number one in exports. They want to be number one in. They want their military to be number one. They want number one in controlled minerals. They want to be number one in. So it's like they do. They want all these things. In fact, I can't think of any field that U.S. is number one in that they wouldn't want to be. They want to be number one in education. They want to have the university system that the U.S. has, so people come to their universities. They want to be number one in soft power and in hard power. It's like it's an interesting way to frame this.
Now they do want, and the questions I think got to this well, they do absolutely want the United States out of their neighborhood. They don't want to be the number one globally, but they want to be number one in their immediate neighborhood. And it's also because they eventually want to, and they're again very clear about this, invade and, depending on your perspective, either conquer or reconquer Taiwan. And they can't do that as long as the United States is number one, not just globally, so in Southeast Asia. So China's endgame is to stay number two, but to be in charge and the big boss in their kind of immediate neighborhood. Great question. We could obviously spend a lot of time on this. I'm giving kind of quick surface level answers because I want to be able to answer all these questions because there's so many great questions.
But that wasn't a good answer at all.
So we're going to mark that first question answered.
That's terrible. Also,
China to the USA.
Listen, I got to tell you, because I've read a lot about China. I've also been to China, and I've also spoken to many Chinese people, and I've read books in China. I've read books in America. The truth is that the most hardcore, serious China experts will tell you that answering even a simple question like what China wants is very difficult because China is a massive country with many, it has one unified government, but it has many different sub-factions within it that are all competing for different things. And they all have different priorities and goals. Obviously, Xi Jinping is currently at the head and his goals matter the most, but there's a lot of sub-factions that have their own different goals. And they would say that reading the tea leaves on what this is can change month to month, week to week, and it's actually kind of hard to follow. So I don't like that he says it with such confidence. It's kind of insane to be like, this is what they want. It's a way of speaking that is frustrating.
Living conditions, education, social life, and overall wealth. How proportional are the economic classes in each country? All of this will reveal which country's way of doing things is truly better in a very summarized and dumbed down way. Emerson, amazing question. This is such a great way to try to understand China by looking at it relative to a country that, whether you live in the United States or not, you know a lot about. China and the United States started in very, very different places, literally whenever you start the clock, 20 years ago, 50 years ago, 300 years ago. So the fact that, China has come up in a lot of ways.
He's kind of acting like an AI. Did he just feed these questions into Claude? And then take a cork board?
If you go back to the video we did a couple of months ago on China's demographic crisis, we watched some Chinese soap operas. I thought it was really fun. I really love watching them. They're on Netflix. If you look at those soap operas, which are of regular middle class lives in China, those look like my life. Those look almost identical to the things that I care about, what I do with my week. People with email jobs, they go to the luxury.
Has bro been to China? Or is he watching Chinese soap opera?
I've been, guys. I've been. It's crazy.
If you go to any of the big
he does not like this guy.
These are the cities that you have heard of, Beijing, Shanghai. That's what you will see.
He does not like him at all.
Middle class life. You'll see people going out to
Middle class isn't a real thing in communism. There's only capital. I had thought there couldn't be something dumber than this guy's answer. Fango, what the fuck are you talking about? Guys, it's not a crazy different country. They fucking work wage labor jobs at malls. They're not, there's nothing different about it in terms of like day-to-day economic reality life.
Wait, does he talk about this guy for a whole hour? Oh man, I don't know, man. Him creeping on he talking and critiquing somebody else for a whole hour? It's like me critiquing like the bridgemind, or not bridgemind, the primogen or something for an hour. I'm not gonna be doing that, but I'm willing to tickle it for just a few minutes longer. That's a mistake. That's a mistake. I can't play the video. I can't play the video. Something's off. Something's off, guys. Oh, you know what? We'll watch it. We'll watch this one. This one's more important. New Rules for Founders by Gary Tan. What's wrong with my videos, guys? What's wrong? Something happened. Something happened, and I don't want to restart. Let me see if it's still... Let's see the workout counter. No? Something there? No? No? Maybe not. Maybe there is. Playback. All right. Playback beginning shortly. Oh God. What did it do, guys? Maybe it's using too much memory. All right. Let's close this. Let's close. I guess we could close this. Check on it later. Make more room for the memory. Make more room for memory. The memory needs more. It needs more stuff. Boom.
We may never achieve
Right.
a utopia,
Yes.
but it is worthy and worth it to attempt. Everything that's
Oh.
awesome in my life is kind of a cult. We
Damn.
had to go over to the Windows team. They wouldn't reply.
Okay, I could
to
talk
Windows
for an hour about
Pixar bugs.
Gary Tan.
We had to go over there with a baseball bat, or like Microsoft can't.
Yes.
But the startup can.
Yes.
And every startup must.
Billionaire podcast, guys.
So good to have you, brother. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
Amazing, dude. Well, we're going to cover a bunch of the basics, and then we're going to get into the advanced topics to make sure that we kind of match the curiosity and ambition of our audience.
That sounds great.
Does that work? Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, dude, maybe talk to me a bit about the beginning of your journey, 2003. You know, it feels like what's under discussed is founder psychology and then sort of Silicon Valley culture and how the two are connected. What did it feel like when you first got in the game back in 2003 coming out of Stanford?
I guess I wanted to work at startups, but 2003 was funny in that
Calling for me, guys. Calling for me.
had just ended. Like the NASDAQ had just crashed, and actually there
that
were
was
no
bad.
jobs that I could even find in the Bay Area.
True.
Other than working at Gap IT. And so the two
That is
job
true.
offers I had were Microsoft for Windows Mobile, which I was pretty excited about, or Expedia.
Oh, that was bad.
Yeah, I had
Windows
student
Mobile.
loans, and
RIP.
while I wanted to start a company, I just felt like I needed to get a job, and then actually there were no jobs in the Bay. So it's like kind of hard to believe actually that moment was so bleak. And then right before Web 2.0.
It felt like it might have been the end of tech, huh?
Right, a little bit. Yeah, that was the vibe. And then at the end of the day, like that's the boom, that's the bust. Like these things sort of happen over and over again.
So at the time, did it feel high status to work in tech or on startups?
Not at all. I mean, it's sort of lost to the sands of time, but I was still excited about tech though. I had done a lot of web programming, and then one of my regrets actually was I was sort of chasing what was hot instead of what was clearly the thing I knew. Mark Zuckerberg was probably doing Face Mash around then, around 2003, and then Facebook didn't even exist yet. And I was getting out of web programming at exactly the wrong time.
Because it felt like that was the smart thing to do.
Yeah, it was smart. And, I mean, this is true now, in front of all these people at startup school, I sort of started this don't LARP meme.
I saw that.
But I think like that's...
Don't LARP?
That's embedded in this idea that like, you should just be earnest.
Yeah.
And then you shouldn't follow what the crowd is saying, right? Like at that moment, people said the web was dead, but that was sort of the perfect time to work on web and social and things like that. And I didn't do it. I ran off and said like, oh, well, the next hot thing will be mobile. So I wanted to work at Windows Mobile, which was true, but why give up like the thing that could have been the next thing?
What I love about what you're saying, though, is often when we hear earnest, we think naive. But actually, what it sounds like you're saying is there's like earnestness is a sort of result of maturity and courage. Is that right?
Courage is actually, I think, the right thing.
Yes.
Like if you know something, it's sort of, if someone just like comes and contradicts you, or even if like a blog post or like someone on Twitter contradicts you, you're like, well, I don't agree with that because I believe my own direct experience.
Yes.
I know that I'm not a time traveler because if I was a time traveler, I would have sent a message back to myself and said, just stay on working on web stuff. Like you literally have 5 years of experience on top of everyone else. Like you could do an end run around everyone. Like you could have built
old
like any
messages.
kind of social software.
I wonder why it does that.
But instead I was,
I'll look into that.
you know, I was 22, so I was like being whipped around by whatever I could read.
What kind of angle is
The
this?
Wall Street Journal. And, you know, the classic
Peeping
question I'm
Tom
sure you
angle?
get that, you know, all investors get all the time is what's hot and what should I work on?
Right.
And that's the wrong question to ask. Like
Yes.
the right question is like, what are you interested in? What do you know uniquely? And so that's like, you know, one of a great many mistakes I made in my career. I feel like I'm a little bit doomed to be the first principles storyteller of all the mistakes that I made in my career.
I think that it's very inspiring for founders to hear your own journey and your own mistakes, and then not feel so bad about the ones that we've all made along the way.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe talk about the culture of Silicon Valley today. You know, on one hand, maybe it was despondent 20 years ago. It's crazy to think that was just 23 years ago that you're talking about. Now, you think we would all be incredibly elated, yet there's this undercurrent. Maybe it's the LARPing thing that you mentioned. You know, it's being outside of the light cone, the permanent underclass. Where does that come from? Do you think there's any truth in it? Talk through that.
I mean, I get it. Like there's just more competition than ever. And then I think maybe it's just that we're spending too much time in distribution. I think Chris Dixon talks about this all the time, where you know, you're in the idea maze, but you know, the cool parts of the idea maze are like the weird fringe parts. Actually, it's always like, what is a toy? Like, and that's the pattern in Silicon Valley over and over again that bears repeating, right?
Yes.
Like the idea that you could have a computer on every desk in every home.
Yeah.
Today is like, of course, like that's what's come to pass.
Yes.
But the people who created that thing,
Permanent
they were
underclass?
fringe weirdo punks.
Totally.
Actually.
Yes. They were outsiders. I mean, Homebrew Computer Club was not where you were getting laid.
Yeah, that's right. You just were like following this weird obsession that, you know, actually I want my own computer.
And I think Chris has said this too. I think a good measure of how interesting the thing is can you find the edge? And for the most interesting things, you typically can't. Even if you find the edge of the conversation, you can't find the intellectual edge, which I think is a very good sign. I mean, I had this growing up in the 80s. Maybe you had this too. There was sort of one way to be cool in grade school and probably in high school. And maybe when you got to college, you kind of found your people. And now I think one of the miracles of being internet native generation is that people find their people much sooner. You find your people on Reddit, you find your people on, you know, X or Insta or whatever your network is.
Oh yeah. I mean, that's the coolest thing today. Like there's probably a subreddit, there's probably a part of X, like, you know, some part of Teapot that is, you know, this part of Twitter that is just your set of super weird, but like really, really into that thing.
Yeah.
And you can find your tribe more or less instantly.
Yeah. Yeah, can you talk a bit about the culture of Silicon Valley? It felt like 10 years ago it was sort of,
work
you know,
on
it was
publishing
lower
on
status
Windows.
to work on something like Palantir, either because people were
After
nervous
this.
about doing things
After
that were
this.
too much in the national interest, or because it was sort of dismissed as a services business. Now it's clearly one of the most important companies in the world with one of the most compelling CEOs. You were early there. What did it feel like? Why did you do it?
Yeah, I mean, I have a worse story than that. I have another mistake story where
Check.
Joe Lonsdale and Stephen Cohen were my fraternity brothers at Stanford Phi Psi.
Okay.
And then I had a job, and they were like interns at Peter Thiel's hedge fund.
Okay.
And Peter has this thing where you're supposed to, like, you know, when you start a thing, you write down on a piece of paper all the smartest people who you need to go and hire and like get to join you. And so they said, oh, but both of them were like, oh, let's go get Gary. He's up in Seattle. Like they flew me down to have dinner with him. And he said, Peter said, I'm so sure this is the right thing for you. Like, here's a check for 70 grand. That was how much I made at Microsoft at the time.
Yeah.
And I said, thank you very much, Mr. Teal, but I might get promoted to level 60 this year,
no.
which I did.
Okay.
But I think it's
At what
that was like a
cost?
$2 to $4 billion mistake at this point.
No.
Oh, damn.
And I think about it all the time. Like, basically, I did the same thing again. It was like the same thing that got me to go work on Windows Mobile
Damn.
instead of just staying on the thing that I knew and loved.
Yeah.
It happened again. I was like, well, I don't know. You know, I was working backwards from the map instead of looking down at the territory.
Yeah, $4 billion
and saying,
mistake.
oh, well, these are the
Could have
smartest
gotten the
people I know.
Palantir
Like Joe and Stefan
founder.
were among the smartest people I'd ever met.
Yeah.
And
Crazy.
you know, if not them, like who was I gonna, you know, be a co-founder with? Like it's just, you know, the universe was saying like, this is the thing you need to do. But all I cared about was what was cool, what was hot, what would a really good investor say. And the thing is like, they're like going off of a map.
Yeah.
And like, you can see, you can look down, you can look around, you can like have first principles knowledge of what's going on.
Yeah.
And you know, what they were doing is like, they were going to governments and three-letter agencies.
Yeah.
And it was clear that the things that really good computer scientists in Palo Alto could do and create,
Yes.
DC did not have access to that. And you know, it's funny how much that thing that they had identified, like Peter and Joe and Stefan and later Alex Karp identified, that like runs through almost everything that we do in Silicon Valley. It's just like the future is already here. It's not evenly distributed.
Yes.
And then that's where like first principles knowledge or like just viewing the world as a scientist is actually very useful.
Yes.
And what a scientist does is, you know, sure, there's published papers, but you go and you examine all the truths.
Yes.
And what you find is that once you go down into the experiment or you go down and talk to the first party people who are experiencing a thing,
Yes.
then you learn secret knowledge. Then you have gnosis. And so, you know, from Palantir, I definitely learned that everything that's awesome in my life is kind of a cult that starts with some sort of truth or belief that flies in the face of an orthodoxy, which is very punk, actually.
Yes. Yes. Totally. Dude, that's very, Rick Rubin would approve.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, actually, what I love about your saying is that there's a beautiful truth in the fact that you've talked through some of these maybe tragic misses, but you know, the lessons are courage. The lessons are earnestness, right? The lessons are when your instincts are pulling you to work with a set of people. So maybe talk a little bit about, you know, we talk a lot about how Silicon Valley and the magic is it takes outsiders and turns them into insiders. And I feel like YC is the ultimate distillation of that. You know, you go from being two founders, perhaps from a foreign country, to two people with YC on their LinkedIn, and everybody now knows what that means.
Totally.
So talk about how that happens. Is it a process? Is it a mindset? And how has it changed over the years?
I mean, I have to credit Paul Graham and Jessica Livingston and the original founders, including Trevor Blackwell and Robert Morris. I mean, what Paul and Jessica figured out was that there are lots and lots of really smart people who do not get access to Silicon Valley. I mean, I think in the past you had to like go to the right schools, you had to know the right people, sort of, and if you didn't, you'd come to Silicon Valley and you'd try to get invited to the right parties. There's like a social network that you had to crack. And then at YC, we have a pejorative for that whole scene, which it's like, we call them scenesters, actually.
Okay.
Which is, I mean, it's sort of a nod to like what you used to have to do. And some people still believe that's
What are
like
these
how they
shots?
do it. All they did was
What are
say,
these
you know what,
shots?
like here's a website, here's 12 questions. Later we added like a 1-minute video. And people on the other end who are builders are going to try to give you a fair shake. And so today we have 16 equal partners, including myself. And all of us like went through YC and had successful outcomes. And I think there's something valuable to that. They just, you know, welcome to Silicon Valley. We just celebrated 7,000 people coming to San Francisco. The majority of them, the very first time they came, it's, you know, our startup school every single year.
So incredible.
we kind of call it like birthright, but for tech.
It looked like the Roman Colosseum, dude.
Yeah.
It was amazing.
Yeah. So, I think that that's the coolest thing about Silicon Valley. Like it sort of doesn't matter where you're from or who you are. It just actually matters what your ideas are and can you execute. The only other thing that I'd say like YC people get that a lot of people don't get is a community of people who you can be super real with. It's like if you go to a TechCrunch event, you look to the left, you look to the right, and it's like, are you really going to be able to tell them anything real? Like, you're going to hold your cards pretty close, and you're going to say how you doing, and they're going to say killing it, and then they're going to ask back, and like, oh, I'm also killing it. I mean, honestly, founders really need that. Like, it's very solitary. It's on the day that you lose your best customer, on the day that your best engineer quits, like who you gonna call? And if you have no one, like
the day your co-founder loses hope and you're not allowed to.
Right.
That's a tough day.
Yeah.
You know? Talk about the historical
sounds
upside
tough.
sort of surprises of like founder types, business types, and the downside surprises. What have you learned through YC?
I mean, we're sort of in the middle of a big transformation now, I think.
Okay.
For the longest time, we really, really believed that you needed co-founders. And I think that everything else being equal, having co-founders is net really, really good.
Totally.
I think some of this is like the beginning of a cult.
Yeah.
Like, a cult where there's only one person and that person can't convince anyone else to join them is like, worse than a cult. It's just like a crazy person, actually.
Right.
I think this is like an old Derek Sivers TED Talk, right? Where it's like, one person dancing in a field is a crazy person.
Yes.
But, it's really the second person who like gets up
That's right.
and joins that person. Like then what you find is, suddenly 10 people are there all dancing. Then it's a party. Yeah, that's literally the TED Talk.
I see.
And I think there's something to that. But, I think what's happening right now with vibe coding and agentic coding.
Vibe coding.
Literally any given person could be 400 of that person, like from 2 years, like even like 9 months ago.
400 Sigmas, guys?
A multiple of
one day?
Yourself.
Isn't it amazing?
Yeah. And so,
do you think founders are more ambitious than they've ever been?
They should be.
Yeah.
If anything, like that's the number one thing.
Only thing stopping me is tokens, guys.
Is realize
tokens.
that like don't chase your success or my success.
Yes.
Like that was, when we were coming up.
Yeah,
like,
that's right.
The game done changed. Like
Yep.
you can't just do a SaaS thing. Like I was just doing an analysis on like pure SaaS, and I was like, oh shoot, like a pure like per seat SaaS thing, like not totally clear it will exist in another 5 or 10 years. Like it's perfectly fine as a wedge, but if you're doing that now in 2026, like you better hope that that's like a leap to some sort of moat around data or network effects or something else, right?
Yes.
And that's like, if we would time travel to like even 2 years ago, it's like SaaS was God. Like the 1020x, like next 12 months revenue multiple was like, iron law.
Yes.
And like, it's hard to believe. It was like, oh yeah, no, that's not true at all now.
Well, this is, a related thing that I love is that code is no longer precious.
Mm-hmm.
My God, it's like the things that we had to go through to get something shipped. And that's why you had to have this like sense that what you were making was important with a capital I.
Oh yeah.
And that actually flies against the kind of beautiful truth we were just talking about, because often earnestness isn't obviously important with a capital I. So you pursue things that seem important when most of the most important things
Like
actually
open
start out
source
seeming actually
token
unimportant.
streams and Cascade.
I know you've been all over this with GStack and GBrain. And when you started out to build those things with the intention to like contribute to the community or just explore your interests?
Oh, I was just messing around. Like, what was it? I think Boris Cherney came on Litecoin podcast.
Right.
And I just felt like the urge to, and a bunch of our mutual friends, like all of them basically just started coding again.
Yes.
And I was like, oh, something's happening. I better start.
Yes.
And then initially it was just messing around. It's like, oh, I mean, what would it be like to do like make an office hours?
Yeah.
And then the craziest thing there was like, we had just started like recording all of our office hours actually. And then I had like a few months of data, and there were like very clear things that the YC partners used as like rhetorical devices or ways to like draw
I gotta
out,
run that
like a step function.
Gary
in your
stack
ambition.
again. See what we
and
need
then
to
what's
do.
funny is I have this markdown file that is basically like the perfect script on how to advise founders to like increase their ambition.
Yeah.
And then I actually had to go into Claude and I said, reduce this by 90%, reduce the strength and intensity of this prompt by 90%. And then I open source that.
Oh, okay. So we got.
You got to come and do YC to get the 100%.
Of course.
Oh, snap. So you're saying that he only released 10% of it and 90% is you have to get into YC. Smart. Uh-oh. I made a mistake, guys. I made a mistake. I paused it. I should have never paused it. I should have just let it keep going. Oh, no. I think I'll play. I think we're going to need to fix this video thing, though. Let's see. What else is running in the background? Oh, it's just... not that many things. Not many things. We got... All right, we'll close Chrome. Everything else is closed. I guess it's some open browser processes in whatchamacallit? OBS maybe? Possibly? I can only think that would be it. Right? Right? It's playing though. It'll play. Cross our fingers. Maybe it doesn't like Discord. Uh-oh. No sound. Oh God. Oh no, no sound. What happened? Block audio. Allow audio and video. Why did it do that? Why did it do that? How does this? Okay, this works. That works. I ran into this issue before, but I don't remember how I fixed it. Let me see. Let's try the good old Chrome. We are at 1925. Of course, exploded with an ad. I did the cardinal sin. Should have just lowered the volume. Okay. Well, wait, what? Why is there a 2-minute thing playing? Skip? Oh no. All of sound is broken. All of sound is broken. RIP. Alright, I think we need... to let Claude figure it out, guys. Something happened. Or something happened with mission control. Hackathon, type car. Yeah, something happened in the background, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Forgive me. I broke the audio. Or something broke the audio. Let's see, Windows is sort of done here. Want get add, needs operator fix. My one attempt was rejected during review. All right, let's close this. Maybe we need more RAM, guys. Maybe we need more RAM. We'll close the windows. But the sound audio is working just fine. I can only think... Yeah, the audio that plays is just a static MP3. That one scene. And this thing's like running some tests in the background. And then if I were to look at System Monitor and Firefox... Oh, no processes. That's good. It still doesn't tell me what's wrong with the browser. Let's see here. Ay, caramba. Guess we'll wait for that. Yeah. Doesn't look too good. I mean, does chess work? Yeah, it's sort of broken as well. It's sort of broken as well. Let's see, let's play a bot. See if it works. Come on. Otherwise, I have to restart stream. Which should be okay. It's 7:47. Oh no. Yeah, this thing's playing. It's not playing sound. Have to reboot, guys. Have to reboot. Sad face. Let's see. Will this work? Yeah, no sound, guys. No sound. No sound. What is this thing working on, guys? Nothing on my side. All of today's work landed. Remains verified. Cool. And then what's this? Just a bunch of stuff running. All right. Terminal update has been updated. Oh. Also, wonder if it fixed the terminal issue. All right. Moved some of the stuff. How's full screen? Nice. Full screen looks good. We did tell it to move the loud somewhere else. Dang it. Okay, I'll do that in the next one. More importantly, I have to restart the computer. Damn you, Linux. And then mission control is also fixed. Let's see, what's this? Monitor. New commits landing on main. What's this? Git fetch. What's this? Gaming crisis fully resolved. Okay, I'll look at these two. I'll just remember this one. Linux system tray. Sys tray guard. Alright. Alright guys, I'm just gonna reboot. I'm just gonna straight up raw dog restart. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. You'll see me now. Restart now? Alright.